researcher, I research theology.
But how long do you want
research history, theology, anything there is to say.
Well up, Peter!
Oh my...
If that guy give you trouble, it's other guy. And even the other guy. And you, hey. Just be here.
Stand up, stand up.
On guard. Yeah, Peter! Yeah, Peter!
Oh. What are you doing in my house this Sunday afternoon with your house? How dare you barge into my house in that manner?
Paul, what is it? As you can see, my husband and I just got back from church.
Hey, Clara, stay out of this. It has nothing to do with you.
No, you would not shut me up in my own house. Whatever made you barge into my husband's house can't be resolved.
Like I said, stay out of this.
Oh, my God just come back from church now. What I do now? What be this one? What I do?
So they ask us what do you do? No, you get mad. You didn't ask me what you do.
Mugu, you not go shut up. You want me to amend you?
I go amend you and now your eyes open. You didn't ask us what you do.
Peter, did you write any letter to the lands office? Yes, I did. Any problem with that? Why? What for? What did you hope to achieve with that letter? Listen, Paul. You have practically sold every single land our father left for us before he died. That land is about the only land left you haven't sold. Why do you want to sell all these things without even consulting me? Must be out of your senses. That I should tell you before I sell my land, is that it? You have benefited from every land you have sold. You have kept everything to yourself. I've been quiet. But you see this particular land, I will not let you. Then be ready to die. Because you're digging your own grave. Paul. Paul the Enigma, that's what they call you, right? You're just blabbing. Me. I am blabbing. I have written to the lands. And I have told them that that land is not for sale. Whoever goes ahead to buy it does that at their own peril. And I will follow it till the last cut. Peter, Mr. Lecturer, do not dabble into things you do not know. Anything I have mapped out for sale must be sold. Is that what you think? It is not what I think, it is what I know. You see that land? It must be sold. So you'd better go back and withdraw that letter from the lands or face my wrath. Okay then. Whatever it is you want to bring it on. If you fail to listen to me, Peter, if you fail to listen, Mabasi, I will do the unthinkable. Now get out of my house before I do something I'll regret. Paul is biting more than he can chew. Imagine coming to my house to threaten me.
My love, this is more than a threat. You know who your brother is. If he says he is going to kill, he is actually going to kill.
What are you implying, babes? That I let Paul sell the only piece of land remaining after he has sold all the acres of land our father left behind?
I am saying you should let the land go. Just let him have the piece of land and remain alive for me.
Never. Paul cannot do anything to me. He's my blood, my brother.
Yes, he is your twin. But be careful of what he has become. I am begging you, just let him have the land.
Never. Even our late father will turn in his grave if I allow this mistake to continue one more time.
At the risk of losing your own life? What? Can you just stop this, please?
I will not let Paul sell that land. He has sold every other land. And what does he do with the money? Go to hotels and sleep with prostitutes.
My love, I am just scared. I don't want to lose you.
Nothing is going to happen to me, baby, okay? okay? I'm famished. Please get me some food.
Babes, please promise me you will withdraw that later. That land is not worth dying for.
Please, babe. Can I eat my food in peace?
But what is Paul's problem? Why can't that guy be reasonable for once? Why would a graduate be acting like an illiterate? What's his problem?
Paul went to school, but never allowed education pass through him. That's why he ended up an agbero, even when he holds a law degree and was called to bar.
This is just very disturbing. A law degree holder behaving like an agbero. Why?
They are in every profession, not just the law profession. Even in your medical field, you find people behaving that way. Let's just eat. There's a way I'm wired. Anything I have mapped out for sale, he's sold already.
I feel you, boss.
Honestly, boss, your brother is right. You have practically sold all your family land without him benefiting from any.
I don't understand you. Now your land. Now your family land. Your papa get land. Don't say in woman who sell the land. Now you want...
If you ask me, I would suggest we should leave that particular piece of land and move around the town and check if we can see other lands. Even if it means for us to resell the one that we have already sold, that the owners are yet to develop. And as a matter of fact, there is one land sold to one Mr. Ugochukwu that is yet to develop anything on the land. We can go and resell the land and go from there.
See, Mama, I tell you something. Since I know you now, today you suggest something will make sense.
Now, big good idea with that.
Okay. Boss, reason now. All those people whenever they do anything for their land.
No, we sell them.
All those ones who don't say, you get lands who even don't say like 2 years ago, they never do anything. If you just start to do.
I don't understand. Chima, are you suggesting we should go and resell Ogugo's land?
See, make I tell you something. You see those lands? The main aim is to cash in and cash out. Smile to the bank. Well, no, stop talking like this.
You know what? Guys, we're going to resell those lands.
Confirm.
Yes, and we are starting with Ugochukwu's land since he doesn't have money to develop it yet.
Confirm.
Follow the enigma. Follow the enigma.
Correct. Chairman,
Boss, I don't support this one. In fact, I'm not part of all this illegal business. How can we be selling and reselling people's land? It's illegal business now.
Okay, I'm trying to open it when you do. What's him they do? Talk rubbish.
You see, I'm always warning you. I would know the get conscience. Shut up. I would know the get conscience. Shut up.
You won't go to sell and sell.
Okay, I'm going to say land now. Are you happy like that? Now you go sign the document. Now you be chairman who go sign it.
Chima calls him boss, but he is such a bad influence. I will not allow Paul kill himself. I won't allow him kill himself out of foolishness and stupidity.
Omo, this one I know you, eh? And today you went there. Thanks.
From who go land? From who go land is already sold.
I hear this again.
Chima, wait. How could you be suggesting to Oga Polo that we should sell off Ogugo's land? Where is your conscience?
Nah, this guy sef, you just want to spoil my mood. Just give them a general mood now. Go be digging, man. I have told you that with that number. Nah. Agboro no get conscience, guy. Anything will be about. You need to be very, very heartless.
Ruthless!
Now what do you
You get mine!
What are you saying? Agboro has no conscience. Is Agboro not the same human being? God created us as a human being. Chima, where is your conscience? How will you be suggesting we sell off a fellow man? The man paid us money and you want us to sell off his land?
Okay.
Chima, where is your conscience?
You don't do.
Spider, even you.
You don't do. I don't get. My conscience, no worry. I don't get am now. I been forget am, but I don't get am. See what thing go so. No find buyer. Said your good rules land.
Yes.
Make him come up.
Yes, we no go give him anything.
So we go find buyer. No help us find buyer. We go find buyer. We go sell the land. Just come up body.
Come up, but we no go give you anything.
We no give me
No,
anything.
before we dey go, no give you anything.
Just come up body.
We no go give you anything. Take for conscience.
Wait, Chima, the truth be told, eh?
Why are you standing here staring at me? Yeah, if you have anything to say, just say it.
Oh, you can't turn against your brother. You cannot.
There are brothers who are worse than enemies. And there are strangers who are brothers. Professor Peter has made himself my enemy. And I will off him.
Oh, you cannot be in enmity with your blood brother, your twin brother.
Oh, you don't know me. You don't know me. I am Paul the Enigma. I will off him and damn the consequences.
You can't be fighting with your own identical twin brother when you two can come together. Do you know that you two can fight the common enemy when you're together?
No. Lecturer Professor Peter is the only enemy I have now.
Really? You think so? So you believe Peter is the only enemy you have? Hell no, Peter isn't. You see that Chima and Spider? They are your worst enemies. And I don't want to believe you're going to accept what is suggested. You cannot be fighting your brother over a piece of land. Nobody does that.
Yeah and no. Listen to me, oh. The fact that you're living with me in this house does not give you the right to keep poking your nose in my family affairs. Watch it.
You're just the direct opposite of your brother.
Hello.
Ah, Prof, you're here.
Pharmacist Gloria, yeah, I'm here. How are you?
I'm fine. You're
And
welcome.
how is business?
Very well, sir. You can see.
Let's see. I was just driving past your neighborhood and I thought to myself, why don't you come and check up on Pharmacist Gloria?
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
I hope all is going well.
Yes.
And the family?
We thank God, sir.
Very well done. I'll be on my way.
Thank you so much.
You have a nice day.
And you too, I appreciate.
All right. Bye-bye.
All right, bye.
I have a lecture with master's degree students tomorrow, so I'm back home to put finishing touches on my lecture notes. Like I said earlier, I am already back home, and it is not in my nature to leave the house when I'm back. Okay then, find a way around it. If you need additional information, do not hesitate to let me know. Alright, thank you. Bye. Hi, babes. Hey, why is your face like this? Is anything the matter?
I sent you a voice note. I wanted you to tell me when you'll be on your way back so I could make you dinner. What happened?
Oh God, I'm so sorry. I haven't been on WhatsApp all day. I've been very busy. In fact, I went to check up on pharmacist Gloria to see how she's faring. Not to worry. Come, let's go into the kitchen and cook together.
What? Which kitchen? Please, just go upstairs and freshen up. I'll make you dinner, okay?
Wait. Look at you. Most women would want a husband who would go into the kitchen and cook with them. Why are you different?
Well, let's say I have a very hard-working husband, and I have decided to compliment him by serving him.
And I have decided to compliment my wife by serving her.
I love you.
I love you more.
Love you. I love you. That's enough. I'll make you dinner.
All right.
Started already?
Let me freshen up here.
All right, darling.
Okay, see you.
I hope you had a nice day.
Yeah, hectic though.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yes. Collect for the full load. Make sure you collect that money, oh. Don't let them leave that pack. What are you telling me? You will not come here and tell me any story, oh. I'll blow your teeth.
Bravo, sir.
What is good about the afternoon, Timothy?
Sir, what did I do again?
What did you do again? Have you returned your loading money for today and yesterday? Look at the time you are coming to the office.
Sorry, sir. The matter is that I'm here now.
You are here now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What did you come?
Let me sit down first now.
Where's the money?
Sir, the thing we say,
Akoko Kojiga.
Here we go.
Wow. You done already?
No. I just got this for you to get your mouth busy while you're at work.
Ah, thank you. Ain't you so wonderful?
I know I am wonderful. Oh, I can see you're busy with your lectures plan. Getting ready for work tomorrow, I see.
Yeah, I'm trying to draft out the outline so it's easier for me.
Okay. All right. While you're at it, I'll be back in the kitchen.
Not so fast.
Is something wrong? Okay, what exactly are you doing? No.
Oh.
Baby, stop.
Listen, there's never a moment for this.
Stop. Wait, no. Wait. I have something on the fire. I need to quickly check it.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Continue with your work. I'll join you in a bit.
Alright, babes.
Paul. After paying all the dues, settling the police and abros on the road, we drivers go home with little or nothing.
All through yesterday, I was at the mechanic. I spent all the money I made last week buying spare parts and repairing my bus.
Same old story, boss. I'm tired of everything. I'm just tired. Shit.
You are saying you are tired. But let me tell you, the reason why I'm drinking with you guys here is simply that I want to drink away my sorrows.
Listen, guys. Don't tell me you all are planning to quit driving, thereby limiting my scope of income.
Oga Paul, you don't understand what we drivers go through on a daily basis. Eh? You can survive without the money we pay you. Eh?
Listen, guys. New York City in America is where we have the highest number of millionaires. And guess what? All of those millionaires were made on the streets. I want to tell you that there is so much money on the streets. And I'm going to teach you how to grab it.
Hey, hey! Polo the Enigma. Polo the Enigma. Polo, Polo, Polo Kaigeso.
Mone jeje mona nana polo kaigeso.
Polo! Hey! Polo the Enigma.
Don't worry.
Baby.
Yes, my love.
Have you heard from your brother Paul?
No.
Is there something you both are not telling us?
I don't understand. What are you driving at?
In a clear language, you two don't act like you're twin. I can't remember any time you guys have met without having a fight. And it just ends up in a serious fight, even fist cuts.
Maybe it's not my fault. It's Paul you should be talking to. He's a difficult one.
I don't understand what that means.
Babes, please. I don't understand what you mean. I hold nothing against him. He's the one who doesn't just want my association.
Okay. Can you at least try one more time to reconcile with him?
Babes.
He's your brother.
Babes, why do you always raise his issue each time you serve a very delicious meal? Can you allow me concentrate and enjoy this food, please?
You see, that my brother I told you about, he promised to give me a huge amount of money to start a business. Set up a very big business. But up till now, I've not heard from him. See, anybody hoping on all these big men to fulfill their promise is making a hell of a mistake. They make empty promises. The worst part of it is that he's not even taking my call. He doesn't take my call.
Those rich brothers, they will never help. That is why I don't go to anybody for help. That's the reason.
You see, Fred is my immediate younger brother. Can you believe that? When his Oga settled with a chicken change, I gave him a huge amount of money to add up so that he would set up a business.
Oh, really?
Now listen, these people we are talking about, they have their heart at back.
Obiabo.
Bro, he's living in a very big mansion now. He's living in a very big castle in Lagos. He don't even remember his own brother. Yeah. His own senior brother. He can't even talk to me. Family for that matter. Lord.
All the terrible.
My love, all I'm saying is that twins should have one thing in common. One mindset. Why is it different with you two?
Paul is one hell of a human. How am I supposed to share the same mindset with someone who has a degree in law but has refused to practice for a day? Instead, he opts to become an agberu. collecting levies and tickets from motorists, and even aiding them in crime.
And you're saying something is not wrong?
Nothing is wrong with him. He knows exactly what he's doing. Paul will not call you on phone, no. But you pick your phone and call him, he hears your voice, he drops the call.
Exactly why I am saying that there is something wrong somewhere.
I am telling you, not my phone, meh. This is a guy that is just not consistent. You call him with this number today, tomorrow he changes to another number. As I'm speaking with you now, I don't even know what number he uses.
Exactly what I'm saying, my love. This has got to be some sort of problem. All I'm asking is that we look for a solution. Let's just try to solve this. It won't take anything from us.
Can we remove our mind from Paul and focus on our family? He doesn't want to associate with us. It's obvious. Why would you want me to reconcile with someone who doesn't want reconciliation?
The other day, my wife called my brother on the phone and told my brother we are starving. Can you believe what my brother told my wife? What did he say? Fred told my wife that we should sort ourselves out, that we are lazy. Oh. That we should sort ourselves out. Oh. That we should be ashamed of ourselves for calling him to give us money to feed my family. Just imagine. Wait.
You mean your brother, your blood brother?
My junior brother. That's what he told my wife. And ever since then, I trust my wife. He discommunicated completely from my brother. We don't even send him again. We don't even pick his call. I trust my wife. He doesn't pick his call anymore.
Your wife is a wise woman. Oh my here.
You see, one thing with all these family members, they want only themselves to be rich. And they want to be worshipped.
Just imagine. And the worst is that he claimed to be religious. He carried religion for head. That is wickedness. You want to be close to God, but you're not even close to your own family. It's evil. It's wickedness.
Listen. Claiming to be spiritual or born again, it's not a yardstick to measure who is godly or not.
Exactly.
In most cases, you find out that ordinary people, they live better life than the so-called spiritual people.
Yes, now. Those ones, they will fake religious people. Very fake.
Internally wicked.
Is there no way you can make your brother understand that one is nothing without family?
Wait, why are you bothered about this guy?
Honey, I need to be bothered. I am your wife. I am married to your family. A family that is fractured to the extent that twin brothers cannot even do anything together. Does that make sense to you?
The joke is on Paul, not on me. I have tried my best. If he wants us to become family again, my arms are open.
Okay, can you at least call him tonight?
It's like you're not listening to what I'm saying.
I am listening to everything you are saying. I heard everything you said. I know you say you don't have his number, but he called you the last time. I'm certain he hasn't changed that line. Why don't you just call him? He might be willing to talk as family this time.
I am not calling him. Except you're doing that on your own. Have I not tried my best? Have I not done everything I could to show him that I love him like a brother? Each time I keep meeting a brick wall.
I know you have tried, but you will keep trying. Don't quit, please.
I've had it up to here. This time around, I am not trying again. If he wants reconciliation, he should be the one to reach out this time.
Love, two wrongs can't make a right. Please.
You see this thing you're discussing now? It is the reason why I cut all ties with family. Let me make this known to you guys today. I have an identical twin brother who lives in this town. Yes. He's a university lecturer and a pharmacist. But we don't roll because he's a very nasty creature. Each time I call him on phone, he goes like, "Hello, who is this?" Can you imagine that?
That is the way they behave. Very annoying.
Hey, Peter is too small to annoy me. In fact, I don't want to have anything to do with him again. Yes. Do you know I studied law? Labor law. I just did not practice, and one thing led to another. I found myself here.
I don't believe this.
Wait, Polo. Are you truly a lawyer? Or someone told me that you're a lawyer, but I didn't believe it.
Not just a lawyer. I was the best in my class.
There is something I want all of you to know. There is something spectacular about Oga Polo. His good command of English language is out of this world.
Hello?
Hey, what is it?
I haven't heard from you in a while, so I thought, why don't I talk to my brother?
Check up on me as what?
Paul, it's your brother, your twin brother Peter. I just want to know how you're doing.
My twin brother, and so what? Okay, what can I do for you?
Oga Polo, that's your brother now. Your brother called you and you couldn't discuss with him.
I am Paul the Enigma, and I don't take shit from anybody.
He hung up?
No, he called back.
Paul the Enigma. Cutting phone on your brother is not right. Let us tell ourselves the home truth.
And it is good to tell ourselves the truth than telling ourselves sweet lies.
That's exactly my point.
Ebia, you know, there's a reason I don't want to dabble into this. No one knows what's transpired between you and your brother.
I think you're the only one who reasons like a human being here. Apondala. Well, anyway, what do you expect? They're old men with wives. That guy Peter that calls himself my twin brother is the biggest fool that walked the surface of this earth. He thinks he's smart. He's the lecturer, the corporate one. But I am the man on the streets. We are like two parallel lines that will never meet.
I disagree with you, sir. You guys should sort yourself out. It's your brother. At least a brother call you on phone. Try to talk to him and hear him out.
Oh!
Listen to your brother, know what he has to say.
Okay, shut up. Shut up and go back to your wife. You're a common driver. Driving a car that I signed and guaranteed before it was given to you.
Oh, because you signed a guarantee for me. I should not tell you the truth, eh?
To hell with your truth. If you do not shut up your mouth now, I will call the police to arrest you.
Hey!
Not just that, charge you to court and detain you.
To arrest me for telling you the truth. For telling you the truth, bro. Charge me for what? You never reached to that now. Bro, shit. This thing never reached to that.
You will lock him up.
This meeting has ended. And I'm not paying for this drinks.
Yeah, no, bro. I don't get money. I don't get money to pay for the drink. Bro, come pay for the drink, oh. Then you carry us come out.
We are welcome. Madam, washing and setting.
Oh, bro, so you
want to go in peace, Thank you. I don't say one day where.
Give me some. You know when you know say one day where you don't want to give me sense.
I will put that for you.
Madam, don't give me that kind of way. Give me yesterday. That washing and setting, I beg.
I beg you. That one way you give me that shit. That one approach me. The one way you give me now. I don't want
one I shall work the other day. I don't know whether they don't give me this.
Oh, guy, you don't go.
You know the thing say go get woman. You see me now, you know if you give me all this.
When you give me, I be the sweetness of youth. We must carry sickness inside. We must carry every inside. We go take you out of.
Who go care am?
Now they care with the care.
Can go care you?
Bring something for me. Leave this man. I'm a married man.
I don't go kill. Who that follow? I no wan purge you.
No point.
Who that for take away? Don't use all this their cigar cup. Give me.
They talk rubbish. If you want insult person, just tell me.
Hey, you never many. Okay, now half I go drink.
If you get now, overload that.
Put them for the half for here now.
No, na go finish.
I will finish some.
Go finish some of them.
But it's not half I go drink now.
I no put the cup now. Finish some.
Okay, finish this thing. Why they do that? Finish this thing, my friend. This is why somebody join us drink until we drink. Make a kiss. Make a kiss. Somebody drink me waiting with the thing.
Guys, see what this up. You know as it be now, we just stay here, count the money. Know how much we keep for ourselves. Know how much we give for the enigma. No matter now, if you carry this money, go and fish now. You go do justice to it. Don't give us change.
Confirm. You know, say, Polo, they very wicked. Polo, they very, very heartless. You see that guy? A very greedy human being. That guy not even reason say we get our own personal responsibility. The way he get.
See, I must keep something for myself. You guys know I have a pregnant wife to take care of. Do you know that sometimes the way my wife crave for things baffles me? Onyinye will tell me that she wants a pap with liquid milk. I will run around to get the exact thing she wants. The next thing I will hear, I don't want pap and liquid milk again. What I want is a pounded yam with a bitter leaf soup. The thing is too confusing.
Shut up! Oh. Which one be married pregnant wife again? Where you there, Mariam? Again, where you just give belly, he come stay with you. Now you there here and I don't claim say you married. For where you there, Mariam? You don't call him wife. You don't call him wife. You don't call him.
To God, who made me and you, Chima, the kind of thunder that will fire you is still warming up. I'm telling you the truth. Why is that anytime I'm talking about Onyinye, your body will be peppering you?
You don't do it, don't do it. May we count this money, you know what you do. You don't do it.
It's not my Onyinye.
You don't do it now, I beg. Bring, search yourself. Bring the remaining.
Spider, do you know that this boy has no sense?
Yes.
You don't have anything of
sense.
What
did they do you? Which type of get sense?
Ask Sam. You don't see any Agboro person who get sense before. Abobi, I don't get sense. Now to collect money now I know.
Okay, search yourself, I beg. May we can't do this counting.
Okay, if you want money, I beg.
I don't obtain myself, that's a show.
Okay, I can't search yourself.
You never give you all money.
Okay, I know, you want to
we give you all the money, you don't do anyhow.
Why they gonna
come on.
Okay, how you guys did
this?
I know, okay, we
search me, nothing there. Search me. Come on.
What did they do?
See. No, say don't get. Mungu. You talk rubbish.
You want money to come here.
Hold on. Yes. Give it to me hard, girl. Yes. I need it hard.
What kind of human is Paul? What kind of irresponsible human being is this? It's 10:30 p.m. and he's not back yet. What responsible man leaves the house early in the morning and comes back this time? All he does is leave the house in the morning and come back late at night. His rascality is what I cannot take anymore. I can't. My sanity is going off. I can't take this anymore. What is this? And when he comes back, he will find a way to lie about it. I can't do this again. I can't take this again. What is this? Eh?
You girls are fantastic in this.
You can say that again. I told you we are good in what we do.
I have seen for myself.
You can call us when we lead a good quality rundown.
I like the way you describe it. Good quality rundown. You know, if it were other classless ladies, they would call it sex.
Ladies of class do not speak like that. So give me your phone so we save our number.
That will not be necessary.
But why?
Paul the Enigma is really an enigma by all definitions. He does not repeat girls.
But we are good. And you saw it with your eyes.
Yes.
So it should be nice if you give me your phone so we save our numbers.
Like I said earlier, no. If I need girls like you, I know where to get them.
Okay, babes. Make me they go.
Go. But it should be daybreak now.
Degini. Who are you to think I would waste my time spending the whole night with you? I'm done with you.
That guy's breath is something else. Gosh! He has this breath that stinks like kai all through. I almost threw up.
My sister, what we the Ashawo go through in the hands of men is terrible. We sleep with different kinds of men in the street just for money. Even the one that has dangerous body and mouth odor, skin rashes, even rashes in the private parts.
Even with that one, with that his bad breath, I don't understand. Who does he think he is?
My sister, you are just an ordinary Ashawo, so you have to deal with his shit.
I hate his arrogance, honestly.
My sister, you are confusing me. What is eating you up? The poor guy said he doesn't repeat girls, so you should respect his opinion.
Wait to be your own self. I never leave him. No, wait to cause I never leave him. I beg.
Oh, thank God. Oh, you're the one complaining. Eh? See, I beg. Let me just go and look for customers since you know agree to do daybreak. Oh, I don't know why you are here complaining or.
Hold it. Normally na your way. See how you do. Ashawo. Ashawo.
Good evening. I'm not fine. Paul, where are you? Okay.
Oh. Hello.
Paul, what kept you this long?
I was stuck in a very heavy traffic. I'm sorry.
Traffic again?
Yes. And the funny part is that when I left the traffic, I realized it was nothing serious.
Amazing. Amazing. Okay. Heavy traffic indeed. Your food is in the flats on the line. So.
Okay, thank you. I'll just freshen up after.
Thanks.
Jesus. Hey. Don't forget. Oh, she catch me for this one. It's like no enter. Oh.
I see no reason you're doing what you're doing to me, Paul. What you see outside, don't I have it? Rather than sleep with me, you spend all your time with those girls outside your home. Why do you derive joy making me feel sad, Paul? Don't try it. Don't touch me, please.
You know my Calabar babe. You know.
Paul, who does it better than me?
Nobody. I swear to God, you know nobody does it better than you. I'm sorry, it won't repeat itself again.
Exactly what you said 2 nights ago. This is what you said 2 nights ago, and you're doing it already.
I promise you, this time I mean it from the bottom of my heart. You know now. Now let you now. Eh? I know, my God.
Leave me.
Leave you and go where? Where will I leave you? Don't. I'll come, let me shower. Sorry. No, baby. Yes, babe, I told you I have a 9 o'clock lecture to catch. I need to rush out. So how do I look?
You look smashingly good.
You know you have a way with words, right?
For real?
Yeah.
But that's not true. I just stated the obvious. Anyways, you cannot go to class on an empty stomach, so I made you something really nice. Sit down.
Honey, this is what I've done all over the years. You know that?
Don't tell me you're not having this meal. I woke up quite early to make this, considering that I have an early morning call. You're not rejecting my food. Sit down.
Sweetheart, listen. You of all people know how I love to eat your meal. But please, for today, I need to rush off. I don't want my students waiting, okay? But I promise you, as soon as I'm back, I'll do justice to your food.
Stop doing that. It's not funny.
Trust me.
Stop. It's not. All right. You have a nice day.
And you too, babe.
Okay. I'll get you the car.
All right, babe. Mind you, when I'm back early today, I'd like for us to draft that.
Yeah.
I'm sure you won't be home by the time I'm back.
Definitely. From the calls I got, I have a lot of patients to attend to. So I might not come back home.
You don't need to tell me how you remember?
I forgot.
Take care of you, honey, okay?
And you too.
Be a good girl at work.
I've always been a good girl.
I trust. Sometimes.
No, that's not
See ya. All right, take care of you, okay?
All right, you
Bye-bye.
too, darling. Have a nice day. Call me when you can.
Definitely, I will.
Send me a message when you can.
Drop me.
Call me again. That was a joke. Have a nice day, darling. What are you doing for?
As if you don't know what I am doing. I am refilling my holy water.
Baby, why are you calling it that? This is a gin from Bielsa. An illicit gin that the government has banned already. So why are you killing yourself by drinking it? Huh?
You see, Eno, most times I wonder why you have refused to emancipate yourself from mental slavery. This kai that our forefathers drank, and it sustained them all their life. They lived even up to 100 and above, is what you are calling illicit. To fear wage.
Why would you say that? Why would you say Tufiakwa? Tell me the reason a young man like you will be consuming kai.
I drink it because I like it. And I like it because it is natural. Not like all these chemicals you people are consuming in the name of foreign drinks.
I don't care how you put it or how you're trying to present this. This is ethanol. And there's no way you'll be gulping down ethanol and be expected to act normal.
Hey. You are beginning to insult me. Okay? If you do not like my drink and the way I live my life, you're free to take a leave.
Really?
Yes.
Paul, has it gotten to the point you asked me to leave your house? Seriously? Okay. Very well then. No problem. I will not just leave your house, but I will leave your life too.
Enough. She's serious. Enough. No. I need you to leave. I will not let you leave.
Paul, I'd rather live your life than stay and watch you destroy yourself.
You know I'm a street guy 100%. I say nasty things all the time. Please.
Okay, then watch me do it.
Please, Eno, please don't go. I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Really? That is the more reason you should work on your temperament. Because it is destroying you and you don't know.
Please, stay. Please. Stay now.
Paul, I will give you peace of my mind. I am leaving you. Not because I want to, but because I don't want you to have anyone you keep insulting. Leave me.
I'm sorry, Eno. See. Sorry.
You're still on this?
Yes, honey.
Babe.
Yes, honey.
There is something I've been meaning to tell you.
What's that?
A certain man came to my office a few days back at the Federal Medical Center.
A man? Oh, what about him?
He actually came to thank me for taking good care of his son while he was on admission. at the hospital.
That's so thoughtful of him.
But this man made a very shocking revelation.
Tell me about it.
Doctor,
Yes.
I actually came to appreciate you.
What are you thanking me for exactly, Mr. Okanandu?
My wife told me how good you were to my son when he was on admission.
Oh, that. So you don't need to thank me. I mean, I was only doing my job.
Yes, I know. But you know that some doctor and nurses are heartless. But in your own case, you handled my son as though you are blood.
Well, that is how I attend to everyone here in the hospital. It's a natural thing.
Well, my son is healthy and has gone back to the university where he's studying biochemistry.
Oh, that's great. Super, super great. I'm glad he's fine now. And I love that smile on your face, by the way.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Doctor, your husband is a twin.
Yes, I am married to a twin, but how did you know that?
You are married to a great family of twins that are destined to be great.
Wait a minute, sir. Are you a seer or something?
That family you have been married into is God and will soon be wiped away for no progression.
Wait a minute. Could this be the reason? I mean, I have been married to my husband for a couple of years. I haven't conceived just yet. I am medically inclined. I have checked myself. There is nothing wrong with me medically. Same thing as my husband.
And you have not managed to conceive because of the cause by a woman.
Sir, please, who is this woman? Who is she?
Doctor, I will expand on the motive behind the cause when I see your husband and the twin brother.
Doctor, that is not even possible. It will be difficult to get the two of them together. As I speak to you, both brothers are cats and rats.
They must come together as one.
Is that the only solution?
Unity. Unity.
I'm sorry, sir, but I don't understand.
I mean, your husband and his twin brother must reconcile and start relating as brothers. Then, the cause will be reversed back to the woman.
Just that?
Just that. And I mean it.
Babe, how could you? How could you believe that?
I don't get it.
Listen, I'm really disappointed at you for even thinking that whatever that man told you is true. These people are fake pastors and seers parading the streets. That's not reality.
Wait. Is that all you have to say?
What else do you want me to say? I've told you the kind of disdain I have for this charlatans parading as pastors and men of God and seers.
My love, we have been married for the past 5 years. And in these 5 years, I haven't conceived. Doesn't that bother you?
Sweetheart, listen to me. Our inability to reproduce yet has got absolutely nothing to do with any woman. Don't you get it?
My love, you need to reconcile with your brother. At least this will break that evil curse or whatever it is that evil woman has on us. It will automatically backfire. That is what the man said. Let's just give it a try, please.
You know, you're beginning to sound so strange to me. Don't tell me you have accepted what that Mr. Otokanando said about a strange evil.
I accept everything he said. Whatever he said, I believe is the truth.
I'm not going to have this conversation, please. Sorry.
Babe, you're not just going to walk out on me.
Hey, Oga, this is the particular piece of land that Oga said we should come and show you. Yeah, on Aladia.
Okay, but where did that land end?
From here.
That fence there over there?
Yeah.
That fence
From
is the end.
Yes.
Then from this place now to this tree.
Exactly.
You mean the Menonite?
Yes.
Okay, that one is
No, Maji is done.
Yeah, that's man. We don't sell this one.
We don't sell the two door.
Yes.
We don't sell them. Even this side, we don't sell them too.
I'm telling you.
Okay, but I'm not sure this land is up to two.
No, now. Bring your Sophia now. Bring your Sophia.
From this fence now to this tree is 50 by 100.
Yes, exactly.
Then from this tree now to this place is another 50 by 100.
Bam!
This is the land our boss specifically asked us to bring you to.
Exactly.
This land is pure for filling station. It's a good site.
I'm telling you.
And another site. You know.
Level land now.
Okay, no problem, but I'm not going to make any payment until I see the certificate of occupancy.
There is no problem. There is no problem.
Everything is intact. The Ligma, we provide every necessary certificate or documents you need for this
even
land.
the CFO,
everything is there.
Everything is intact.
It's okay, guys. But please, I hope this land is not in any dispute.
No.
I hope there's no issue in this land.
No. We know
the fence and for you.
May we carry you go here, Wagadi.
Yes.
May you see the
Now
carry you go here.
I know what I'm avoiding.
Now begging land. No, we don't do backyard business.
You know what? Get the insurance safe. They don't face the left and the right for you.
You see that place waiting. Now we say the one waiting for back of this one.
Yes, now.
I guess you have seen the land. My boys showed you everything, right?
Yeah.
Good. So you don't have to worry yourself about anything.
Okay. I hope your boys told you what we discussed.
What is that? Oh, about the papers?
Yes.
Perfect, yeah. These are the paper, these are the documents of the land. Complete with certificate of occupancy. So once you make payments, the land is yours.
Let me see the papers.
Okay. Go ahead and peruse. Okay.
I hope this CFO is original.
You can see the stamp and the seal and the signature. This thing is directly from the Ministry of Lands.
Okay.
So once you make your payment, the land is as good as yours.
As a matter of fact, I'm going to make the payment right away.
Perfecto. Perfecto.
I hope there is no issue.
Hey, I am Paul the Enigma. I don't involve myself in shady deals.
Okay. Your account number, please.
Okay. Yeah. Ocean Bank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Done.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Check.
Perfect. The land is yours.
It's okay. I have to run along.
All right.
Okay. Nice doing business with you.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
All right then.
Bye-bye.
Please. Everywhere go right. Go.
No, yeah. Don't be smarting.
My man, see, I cannot wait for this money to drop. I will open a provision shop for my Onyinye, for my woman, my baby.
You see, Nana. If I say now you be the only agboro where they behave like idiots, we no get one single sense, it will be like say I dey insult you.
Insult am, you know.
How you go open a provision shop for woman where you never marry?
You know say you no sabi talk. Shey you know say you no sabi talk. How does it concern you how I spend my money? Onyinye na your Onyinye. She's my woman, my wife, my baby.
I calm down, they talk rubbish. Would they try clear you something? They talk about my this one, my this one. See, man, I tell you. As Onyinye dey your house, she carry your belle. You never pay her bride price. If anything happens to that girl, you go marry her for cops.
Pay,
I dey tell you.
pay everything complete. Or her diary, everything must be complete. No negotiation.
Wait, what will happen to her? What will happen to her? Now I see two of you are not my friends. So are you now wishing my Onyinye to die while giving birth? What will happen to Onyinye?
My friend, we are not wishing Onyinye dead. We are suggesting since that girl is pregnant for you and her parents is forcing her on you, go and pay her bride price and it was also warehouse. You went to go shop at Imeberia, you open for her.
See here, you should keep your suggestion on your own. Allow me to suffer my suffer alone. Is it your business? But Spider, two of you don't know what I suffer. Every day I go home. Could you believe that Onyinye will wake me up at night, midnight, to send me for one errand or the other? I saw the pregnant baby.
You never see anything.
Why did they laugh?
And they send you errand. You never see anything.
See, just allow me.
You never see anything.
Allow me, let me drink.
When you do the thing, you don't know say I say you dey enjoy.
When you did this, you don't say to man, or gagari across.
No, make it not wake me up for my own house for midnight. Not you dey wake.
What are you doing here?
Call? Is that a form of welcoming a visitor?
Have I not warned you to stop coming to my office?
If you had picked my call, I wouldn't have been here.
Listen, Agnes. I don't mix business with pleasure. Take a walk. When I have need for you, I'll call you.
As if you're going to call. That is what you keep saying each time I visit. Yeah.
Can I concentrate?
Well, I'm here to, you know already, to collect the money.
What?
You heard it.
What money? I should give you my money to what end?
Okay, you promised to give me a new phone.
See this so cool. They bought you today. Wait. You're trying to tell me you took a promise I made when you were moaning and groaning under ecstasy? Serious? He must be a learner.
You dey mad? Who be Leonard? You know how many years I don't pay for this business? You see that particular money? That 150,000 naira you promised me made me to do unimaginable things with you. You must give me that money. That money must enter my palm before I step out of this place. If not, the whole building will gather for me and you. I go shout.
You will shout. Look at this one. You think I'm one of those men that when a woman tells them she will shout, they begin to fidget and get afraid? If you want to shout, I'll be spirit, oh! This bag, Mama, let me even start shouting. Get out of my office!
Give me my money! Give me! No. I wasn't the one who did pain. It was my husband. And he's been the one paying all the while. So, what was the reason you cut off my subscription when we've paid? Okay. Very well then, I have given you the subscription number. Go through your data, you will discover that there was no reason whatsoever for you to have terminated my subscription. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Alright. Give me my money, I beg.
Agnes.
Okay, give me my money.
Agnes, leave my clothes. I dey warn you now.
Who you the one? Give me my money.
Agnes, leave my clothes.
Give me my money, I beg.
What's wrong with you?
You slapped me.
Yes.
Why you slapped me?
And I will...
You won't give me that money today.
Agnes.
You give me that money today. You see what? That money? You must give me that money.
Agnes, leave my... Yeah? You want to know my quick toy? Agnes.
You give me that money today.
I'm not with your tomato. I be Agbero. If I handle you, don't like yourself.
Me no be your free. I don't dey do what your free business. You enter my sweet in the middle. You won't call me. You no one pay.
Who told me for free? I told me for free. I'm not paying for money. The one when they demand no that agreement though. You know that one. Leave me now.
Me go leave you.
Agnes, leave me now.
I no go leave you.
Agnes, one.
I no go leave you.
Agnes, two.
Me no go leave you like that one.
This girl don't try me. This girl don't try me. This girl don't try me. I swear to God I will kill Agnes.
The Chris. That guy never see the last of me. Him feel say in Agbero. They crazy well. You see that money? That Paul go pay me every penny from that money. Agbero. You dey learn. Agbero dey learn where I shower day. Will tell you say, I no get shame for eye. And now we be a shower. Now we dey run this town. Go collect. This one na small one. This one I do you na small one. You go dey collect steady. As I see anywhere when I see you go collect until you give me that money. They mad. Agbero. See Paulo.
Agnes actually did this to me. I will teach her a lesson. She wants me to give her money for phone? How can I buy phone for a prostitute? Somebody I remember where and how I met her.
What? See?
No, let's get down to business. Wait now.
But we just got here.
What are we waiting for?
Baby, tell me, are we not going to spend the night?
Yes, but we can start now.
No, you don't have to start now. Just
Why?
Go and have your bath, okay? And come back. I'll be waiting.
Okay, let's take one round first before I go
Okay? So tell me, have you heard of snake in a monkey shadow?
What is that?
Oh, that is the lecture I'm going to be taking you in a minute.
Babe, you are the bomb.
I told you.
What did you call it again?
You mean the almighty snake in the monkey shadow?
Oh boy, I've never had that style before. Even my Calabar babe has never, she doesn't even know it.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wait, you have a Calabar girlfriend?
Yes, now, it's not good for a man to be eating the same soup every day. Sometimes you do egusi, sometimes you do okra.
Sometimes you mix it.
Sometimes you mix it.
So what's her name?
Her name is Eno.
Eno.
Yes.
I know, it's my sister.
Are you a Calabar girl? Hey! No wonder! Hey! You people are very perfect in this deal.
Are you serious?
It's inborn.
Yeah, it is.
I can see!
They groom us separately on that.
I swear. You turned my head around.
Are you serious?
So, what's your name?
You are just asking me.
Sorry, I was carried away. I just needed to get into the honey pot immediately.
Well, my name is Agnes.
Hey! Agewama. I am Paul.
Okay.
Yes.
I must confess, you are too good.
Hey! Thank you.
You are too strong.
I am a machine. And you are equal to the task.
Please, I need more wine.
What kind of irresponsible guy is Paul? Huh? This is 9:30 and he's yet to be back from work. Why does he derive joy in doing all of this? He does this always, all the time. All he does is come back in the dead of the night, reeking of alcohol and different stains of lipstick on his shirt. Then again, he will lie. He does not just lie, he finds a way to beg that he will not repeat this again. And he jumps back at it after 2 days. Is this nice? What sort of rascal is this? What sort of rascal is Paul? Huh? I think I have to leave. I have to go find something better to do for my life.
Frankly speaking, my love, you have the strength of 10 men, I must confess.
Really?
Yeah.
How good of that? You know what? We are going to do this style again. I'm not tired of it.
That style to me is outdated. Because I have so many styles.
Hey!
I need to teach it.
You are a prof in this business. Really?
So many.
Hang on, let me smoke and drink and recharge. Wow. You smoke?
Every babe on the street smokes.
Sorry, it's like my phone is ringing. Please help me with it.
Okay.
It's in the pocket of my jean. Who is it?
Eno.
Eno. Hello?
Where are you?
I went to visit my brother and his wife.
Liar. Which of your brother and his wife did you go to see? Huh? Paul. Why are you doing this?
And are you calling me a liar?
I am calling you a liar because that is what you are.
I said I was going to call to tell you I will not be coming home tonight. I'm with them.
It's fine, no problem. Go ahead. Lie. Lie.
Hello? Hello?
I'm leaving this house. I can't take this again. I can see that my presence in this house is the reason Paul has taken me for granted. Paul is a blatant liar, and I can't do this again. First thing tomorrow morning, I am packing everything that belongs to me and I am leaving this house for good. What kind of rubbish is this? What sort of life am I living? Why am I doing this to myself?
You have a very fine phone.
I'm in charge of the Union of Road Transport Workers. Money is never my problem.
Are you serious?
Of course.
I love men that sound like you. Now come here, let me take you to the cloud now.
Hey! Enough. Where are you going?
Listen, Paul, I do not owe you explanations to what I am doing. I am leaving. I've had enough of you and I can't take this again.
No, you cannot leave me. I need you around the house.
Really? You need me around the house, not around your life, huh?
Do not put words in my mouth. You know what I mean. Please, you cannot go. Stay back.
Well, I am not staying in this house for a day, a second anymore, because I see staying here has made you disregard me. You don't take me as anything because I stay in your house, Paul.
Hey, no, please.
Look at you. You don't even know how to lie. You know, staying here will make me lose my sanity and I can't do this, please.
Hey, no, okay. I know you may have verified that I was not with my brother last night. I went for a business that will fetch money.
Oh, stop patronizing me with your money tales. Paul, I am not even interested in your money. I have asked you to build your life, but I can see that is very difficult for you to do. So I will just leave you, okay?
Enough. Coming back home to meet you is the only tonic I need to spark my imagination. You cannot just leave me and go like that. Please. If you leave me, I may not live to see tomorrow.
Oh, wow. Paul, I can see that you're very good in blackmailing me emotionally. But I will only stay here for a day if you say the truth and nothing but the truth. Paul, where did you spend the night?
What?
I can see you're not serious.
Enough, please. I will tell you the truth. The whole truth and nothing but the truth. You see,
Hello, Mr. Paul. Good afternoon. This is Agnes speaking. Agnes now, where you pick for Johnson Street last week. Okay, you think they quick forget things though. Agnes now, wait tell you that Calabar babe, wait tell you say you know Eno. Exactly. Yeah, I saved you that very day because of the promise you made to me. Oga boy, you forget things though. You promised me say you go give me 150,000 naira to get a new phone. Don't forget. Hello? Oga Paul. He called the call.
You.
Surprise, surprise. He thought I was not going to find you.
What are you doing here?
You know the reason I'm here.
I don't. Tell me.
Okay. Well, I'm here to collect the new phone you promised me.
Hey! Is it that you are sick? Or you're deliberately trying to provoke me?
Hoga, you know the reason I left that money? The reason I left was because you promised to get me a new phone. I left my full entitlement. Please, do not provoke me this hot afternoon.
Are you not a fool? Like, you want me to buy a phone for you? A prostitute, an opio.
Well, I'm not ready for your pranks this hot afternoon. It will be your greatest undoing if you refuse to give me that money. Else, I am going to create a very beautiful scene this afternoon.
You don't say you're in a back. I've seen more like you. Go ahead and create a scene.
Since you don't want to give me the new phone, please can I have my full entitlement? for the job well done.
I am not giving you any money. And you will walk out of my office now.
The call was the first reminder. This visit is the second one. Trust me, you will never like the third one. Because it's going to be hot on both of us. Good day.
Like, how many people will sleep with you and give you phones? I'm going to my office or something. Yeah. She will surely pay for this. I swear to God, Agnes will pay with her own blood. Look at what she did to me. What do I tell you not happened to me? How do I explain this? That girl is a bitch. I set my eyes on her. I'm going to kill her.
Who's a bitch? And who are you trying to kill?
The person that did this to me.
Oh my goodness, what happened?
It was at the park. The driver and an Agbero were involved in a fight. My only crime was going to separate them. Before I knew it, the driver picked up a bottle and tried to attack me. I meant to defend myself and he caught my hand.
Oh. Why would you try to separate a fight? You should have remained in the office.
Have you forgotten I'm the chairman of the union?
I haven't forgotten. But you're not the chairman of fight separation. Now look at what you've done to yourself.
Will you stop the blame game and do what you're supposed to do, seeing me in this state?
Okay, I'm sorry. It's okay. I think the pharmacy did a good job. Yes. You'll be fine.
Thanks to that woman, she did a wonderful job. I was bleeding profusely, but she was able to contain it.
Sorry. Huh?
I lost a lot of blood, You needed to see the cut. But that pharmacy woman did. She did wonders. I'm just feeling slight pains.
It's okay. By tomorrow morning, everything, the pains will go away.
Yes, that tomorrow morning I'll go back for her to take a good look at it. He was even one of the Agberos that directed me to Clapet Pharmaceuticals.
Hmm? You say?
I went there and I saw wonders.
Wait. Did you just say Clapet Pharmaceutical?
Yes.
Oh, Peter, your twin brother, owns that pharmacy shop. Yes?
What? Peter owns Clapet? I know Peter is a lecturer and a pharmacist, but I never knew he owned any pharmaceutical shop. Nurse! Nurse!
So what happened to you?
Will you stop asking me nonsense questions, madam? Go and get something and fix this. I'm losing blood.
Nurse, get me the first aid box. Just...
So sorry, okay? Here are your drawers, okay? Continue taking it as stated. You'll be fine.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you for the professional way you handled my case.
I appreciate you, sir. It's my duty to take care of you. So sorry. Just hang up.
Now it is beginning to make sense. I'm beginning to put 2 and 2 together. So Clappet is a coinage from Clara and Peter?
Wow. You're very intelligent. How come I never thought of this?
Peter owns pharmaceutical shops in this town, and I never knew about it.
But babe, that pharmacy shop is a well-known one in the town.
If I had known he owned it, I would never have gone there.
Why?
Are you the one asking me this stupid question?
Baby, Peter is your twin brother. Your blood. Why keep malice with your blood?
Are you not supposed to be serving me food now?
Made your uncle ma panico. When you guys saw me turn panico, me mama. I'll get you something to eat.
More panico. And no more panico. Okay, kakana. Kakana kai panico.
My love, all I'm asking is that you give peace a chance. 2 wrongs can't make a right. Paul is no other person but your brother. Your twin brother. One egg formed both of you. That's why you guys have this striking...
Please. Listen, I'm preparing for my lecture tomorrow. Can you just let me do that?
I'm not trying to distract you. I'm just saying you reconcile with your brother Paul. At least to break that jinx that...
Hey, please, stop this. What is wrong with you? What has come over you?
Peter, you won't shut me up. I am your wife. I am concerned. An outsider won't tell you the truth. I will. So, I don't know why you're trying to fight this. There is absolutely nothing wrong in what I have said.
You're trying to get me angry now, babe. Please. Don't get me there. Please.
I don't wish to get you angry, but my love, take a look at this. This whole thing doesn't seem normal to me. Paul at his age is not married. He's wayward. He's a tout. He's a rascal. A law graduate from UNN. And you think this is ordinary? He lives with a Calabar girl who he is not even married to. You have been married for the past 5 years with... And you've not been able to consider. You think this is ordinary? No.
I won't sit here and listen.
You will not walk away from me each time I try to talk about this. Listen to me, Peter. So why the sudden mood swing? Lest I forget, Dr. Clara was here today to see you.
What for?
When has it become a crime for your brother's wife to come visit him?
It is a crime for her to step her feet in this house. After I've warned them to stay away from me.
Paul, listen. Family is everything. Whether you like it or not, Peter is the only family you've got. So deal with it.
She's lucky. I swear she's lucky I did not meet her in this house. I would have taught her a lesson she would never forget in her entire miserable life. What nonsense.
On the contrary, she was here for a crucial meeting with you.
A crucial meeting? What crucial meeting?
Are you sure there's somebody in the house?
Honestly, sir, knock away.
I'm not sure there's anybody in here.
Adriano! Adriano, someone want to see Agapo. Adriano! Bless her, she just sleep.
Alright, while she wakes up, just let her know or tell Paul when he comes back that his twin brother's wife is here to see you. Okay? Alright, I'll come around some other time.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
They come back at midnight.
In that case, I'll go to his office to see him.
That would be okay.
All right, thank you. Oh, good evening. Hi. Evening.
I'm so sorry. I was actually sleeping upstairs.
It's okay. My name is Dr. Clara. I'm Paul's twin brother's wife.
Oh my goodness. Please come in.
Okay.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much.
Please make yourself comfortable.
Thank you.
Let me go get you something refreshing.
Oh no, it's okay. I'm fine. Maybe when next I'm here you can get me.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
What's your name?
Oh, my name is Eno.
Eno, beautiful name.
Thank you very much.
Eno, are you aware Paul has a twin brother?
Oh, yes, I'm aware.
Have you ever wondered why they don't relate as brothers?
You know, their animosity towards each other is really giving me cause to worry.
And as a woman that lives with him in the same house, have you ever tried to open a conversation with him on this subject?
Of course I have. Severally. But Paul wouldn't want to associate himself with the only immediate family left, which is also his twin brother. He will always push me away and shun me whenever I brought up the issue.
You know, the fact that they don't even want to see eyeball to eyeball breaks me.
I have not seen a thing like this before.
I think there's a problem somewhere. Paul at his age is not married. Looking at you, you're a good woman. What's keeping him? I and my husband have been married for 5 years, no child. There's definitely a problem somewhere.
Ma'am, you know, Paul's lifestyle is something else. His rascality, his nonchalant lifestyle is nothing to write home about. All Paul does is jump from one prostitute to another. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say anymore.
You know what? I want us to join forces and rescue our men.
How do we go about that?
I was told that an evil woman your father jilted to marry their mother is the one behind this.
What?
And only reconciliation from both ends can break this curse.
Just that?
Just that.
Okay, I promise to play my part in convincing Paul to come around. I know it will be difficult, but I'll try my best.
Please do. Okay? It's for our own good. It was nice talking to you, but I have to be on my way now. I'll come again. I'll come visiting again. Alright. And send me hi to Paul when he comes back.
All right.
It's nice meeting you, Dad.
Same here.
Okay.
Take care of you.
Alright.
I'd always known there was something mysterious about Paul. I was sure. Because how can a graduate of labor law be an Agbero?
Makachi Clara is lucky I did not meet her in this house. I would have so dealt with her, she would not walk across this gate next time.
Oh, I think you're the one who needs help. You need to help yourself. Yes.
Did you just say that to me, Eno?
Yes, I did. And I will repeat it again. You need to rise up and help yourself. I mean, look at you. Are you not ashamed? Are you not ashamed to be an Agberu after reading law?
Ah! Don't say that again. I am an Agberu because I chose to be. Do you know how much I make in that office?
Really? And who says we're talking about money here? Paul, we're talking about dignity, not money.
Peter is not richer than me, even though he's a lecturer and a pharmacist.
Amazing. On the contrary, he is. Can't you see? I mean, you're still in the family house. He left for you. He has built for himself a duplex and doing very well with his pharmacy business. And you're talking about who is richer?
It's not about the house. I am still here because I want to be here, and this is better than his house. If I want a new house, I will build it immediately. And let me warn you, Eno. I hate it when people compare me with Peter.
Paul, I am not just people. I am your woman. And I have the responsibility to tell you the truth. You talk with so much hate for your brother. You say bad words against him. Whether you like it or not, Peter is your brother. So, what are we talking about here?
No. Please, in the interest of peace, concentrate on your duty as my woman and stick to it. Stop dabbling in my family affairs.
And I will beg you in the name of whatever you hold sacred. Let peace reign. Peter is your twin brother and you two have to come back together as brothers. Please.
I am an enigma by every definition of that word. I warn you again, stay away from my family affairs.
Oga, wait for there. Abeg, stop there. You know say we get scores to settle now.
Sorry, I don't know you.
You dey craze? Wetin be you no know me? I be like 2 years old girl for your eye. Say if I see who knack me, I no go remember am. Abeg, give me my money, jare.
Sorry, calm down, please. I am not who you think I am.
Oga, I go slap you. Who you want deceive? Pay me my money. Say you are not. Give me my money. I don't look your face.
Look at me very well. I'm not who you think I am. I know.
Oga Paul, give me my money.
I am not Paul. Paul is my twin brother. Paul is my twin brother who actually is a lawyer but has refused to study and doing Agberu.
Abeg, forget which lawyer. Which lawyer Paul be? Paul na Agberu.
Just believe me. I'm not Paul. I know very well what you're talking about.
Even your behavior, your appearance tells me that you not be Paul. You know be Paul.
I am telling you that I know what you're talking about. I did not deny, but the truth is I'm not
okay, Paul. No wahala. If you reach, help me tell Paul. Agnes talk say if I see him anywhere, I go tear him.
But sorry, who are you?
My name na Agnes. The most popular shower for this whole area. Paul, your brother, can't knock me. You no get that one, no give Paul. I give Paul 2 snake and monkey shadow. I give Paul all the style. Paul chop me finish. If he say, me now show free. I know they do a show. I never do it for my life. You go pay me that money. The last time I will see na injure for hand. The next time when I go see him, I go cut him neck.
What kind of embarrassment is this? I can't even go where I'm going anymore. Just look at my shifts. How do I go where I'm going now? And I have to go look for another shift.
Now so I for take enter police case today. Hey! Abeg, who there here? Abeg, give me chilled can water. Ma take. Okay. What's in the happen? What a striking resemblance. Hey! Someone can mistake their two to be the same person. Just that this lecturer looks more refined and gentle than that Agbero. Agbero, Paul. Paul, last you go collect o. You go collect woto. You no fit chop me, no fit do me oshofri, no fit happen. You don't make me now come go tear this gentle, handsome, cute guy. I just tear his shirt for nothing. Okay, now no wahala. You go see. Paul. Ooh.
Paul! So finally we met. Huh? You think you can make away with my 10 million naira? No way. Now what I want is my money or I'll call police on you now.
Sorry. I don't know what you're talking about.
You don't know what I'm talking about? Okay, fine. I am Richard, the guy you sold a land that belongs to another person to. Now, give me my money now or I'll call police on you.
Mr. Richard, I am not Paul.
You're a pathological liar. What do you mean you're not Paul? You and your boys sold a land to me, a land that belongs to another person, and you made away with my 10 million naira, and now you're telling me you don't know me.
Please, listen to me. My name is Professor Peter Ndulue, a lecturer of pharmacology at the State University, married to Dr. Clara Ndulue, who works with the Federal Medical Center.
That's the same name, Ndulue. Peter Ndulue.
Paul is my twin brother. I am not into land racketeering, neither do I deal on lands. So if you have any dealings with him, I'm sure you know where to find him. Have a nice day.
He might be saying the truth. The only difference between two of them is the manner in which he speaks and his gentility. Anyway, I should get him. If I lay my eyes on that guy called Paul, what I would do to him, eyes have not seen. I will deal with him ruthlessly. You think he can eat my money and run away? Imagine selling a land that belongs to another person to me and run away with my money. Don't worry. I will make sure him and his touts rot in jail. By the time I finish with him, he will know who Richard is. I will go to the end of the world to make sure I get him. Man, imagine what this innocent guy must have been going through. Eh? Who knows how many times people have stopped him to embarrass him because of this idiot called Paul. Eh? Just standing the innocent boy's name for nothing. Anyway, I will surely get him one day and I will deal with him. I'll make sure he rots in jail. It's a promise. No one mess with me.
Can you just calm down and tell me exactly what is eating you?
Paul is misbehaving so much in this town, I might be forced to arrest him.
What has he done again?
That guy is causing me so much embarrassment.
Okay, just calm down and tell me what happened. Take it easy.
There is no place I walk into in this town that somebody does not stop me or confront me telling me I ate their money.
Oh my goodness. This has always been my fear. You two are so identical. I hope none of them was violent towards you.
One was a prostitute.
Huh?
A high-class prostitute that Paul slept with and did not pay her. She almost tore all my clothes. You can see this is not the clothes I wore out of the house. I had to get to a boutique to pick this shirt. The other was one Richard who said Paul sold the land to him that he has sold to someone else. What kind of disgrace is this?
God. This is not good at all.
Babe, what do I do to this man?
Nothing. My love, you won't do anything to him. He is your blood.
So if he's my blood, he should continue to cause me pains?
You have to keep enduring.
I have had it up to here. I'm tired.
Honey, please, just calm down. I won't allow you confront your brother. That is the last thing you should be thinking about right now.
So I should let him keep misbehaving and dragging the Ndulwe family name in the mud?
What if you confront him and then you guys get things twisted? You know how it always ends up when you two meet. Please, just calm down, I beg you. Please.
What have I done to deserve this, God? Why would you give me somebody like this as a brother?
Babes, it might not be entirely his fault. It might be as a result of the cost placed on him. Same thing that man told me, the one who came to my office. How do I convince him to pay attention to what that man said?
So, have you guys found a buyer for the land?
So we get boss, you can't believe what we are here to tell you.
What is it?
Boss, Udekwe found us on that land with the buyer. That man threatened fire and brimstone to the extent that the buyer had to leave. I'm telling you.
Udekwe did what? Spider, is it true?
Boss, I hope you like the land. You like what you see, right? I know. See, that judge will be happy.
The land is okay. The land is
I'm fine with the land. Please, I want to buy the paper. I don't want any issues.
Oh, no. There's no issue at all. You understand? Our lands are legit and confirmed. You can see it's a virgin land.
Table land.
Virgin land.
Genuine land.
What's the name of that, your boss?
Barrister Paul.
Barrister Paul.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Nice.
But I would like to see him because I would like to get more clarification from him.
That one is not a problem now.
If you want to go now,
his office is around that roundabout, that motor park.
Yes.
His office is around that place.
So shall we?
Of course, let's.
Who are these encroachers What exactly are you people doing here? What is happening here? Can somebody tell me? Who are you, sir? What do you mean by that? What is going on?
Don't worry, we are already leaving.
We are leaving to where? We are going already. Tell me what is happening here. What are you boys doing here? What is he asking?
They brought me here.
You know what, Oga? Let's just go.
Go to where? What are you doing here?
Can you guys calm down? I don't like when things have been done this way, sir. They brought me here. They said that they want to sell this piece of land.
No, we don't want to. It's not that we want to sell. Like we are showing you the lands that we normally sell.
Let me hear you. My name is George. They brought me here. They said they want to sell this particular piece of land, and I'm interested because they said their boss is one Mr. Paul. One Mr. Paul. Yes. One Barrister Paul. Barrister Paul, according to them.
Oh, that Agboro brought his touts to my house, saying they want to buy this my portion of land. I refused, but I can now see that they have decided to snatch it from me and sell, just as they have been doing to others.
What?
But this will be his last.
My chairman, you needed to be there to witness with your Koro ID where this man was ranting. Udege was ranting, threatening to kill anybody who dares step his or her foot into that land.
Chamo man play the tape well. As I follow you talk now, we don't convince that man finish.
I tell you,
that man no, he just be like say he won't do transfer, give us the man land. Man just share me the way this thing take be.
Shut up! I'm not telling you what I think. This is their work. These are his boys. He will take them to people's land, sell the land, and when you come there, you and the owner of the land will
boys,
partner.
Let's go to the office.
Let's
I'm so sorry, sir. Thank you for because I almost paid and I could have been duped by all these cheap.
You said your name is George.
Yes, sir.
George, when next you want to buy any portion of land, especially in this area, ask questions to avoid being defrauded by these Agboros. Huh?
Around here. Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it. It's well. I don't want to. You boys, let me not see you anyway. I think I'll bring one deadly deity on this land. That's what I'll do. Somebody must die. Somebody have to die for this portion of land before you people will learn.
Now so,
when did this happen?
Yesterday. Boss, yesterday.
God, you guys are idiots. You guys have messed up this whole scenario for me. You would have called me at that time he was there, so I would come and beat him black and blue.
Exactly. But so now what did I tell them? I tell them when we will call you, they call the chicken house. I tell them when we will call you, when you poop body, when everywhere pause. So if you poop body that place, you don't go to the yanta rubbish. I tell them. They're going to talk to rubbish. They say, hey, man, we'll see you, man, we'll play you face to face, this and this. I tell them.
Makachi, if I get that Udekwe man, I will strangle him, break his bones and feed his carcass to the vulture.
Boss, why don't we leave Udekwe's land alone? That man is dangerous. Is it not better we look for another land and sell?
Shut up your mouth. Who asked your opinion? What you guys do not know is that that land is worth over 100 million naira.
My chairman, what?
But we'll go find another buyer.
You see that land? Abobi, we'll go sell that land.
We'll sell them. Chima, we'll sell that land. You sure we'll not sell?
We'll go sell them. Boss, we better leave people's land for posterity's sake. Can happen and them mad.
Okay, when they speak nonsense English, you for boss. You need billing. What man will make you? Who's going to make it here? For prosperity sake.
Now let us support this idiot.
Paul! Paul, come out here.
Boss.
Wait, who is that?
Boss, that's Udekwe's voice.
Eh?
Wait, this man get my coin here.
Give my slippers.
This man get my coin here.
Abobi, man, we'll go.
Paul, I'm not going to leave this place until you come out here and tell me why you decided to dig your own grave with your own hands. Paul!
Okoro! Open that gate.
Okay, sir. Oh, look at that. Land snatchers. Thieves.
Therefore, you call me a thief in my own house?
If you're not a thief, then tell me what you are. He that sells another's land in his absence without his consent, what is he?
I will not have you come to my house and insult me.
Paul, or whatever you call yourself, tell your boys to stay away from my land.
Are you threatening me? Wait, do you know who I am?
I'm still talking to you because of Ndulwe, your father. The next time you step into my land will be your last. Get out. Okay, try it once again. And you'll find yourself on a particular spot, defecating and urinating on yourself with withered hand. You know what that means? I will dash you stroke. Not partial one, full dose. I'm telling you what I will do. I'm not threatening you. And the way I'm saying it is exactly the way I'm going to do it. Just try it once again and you know who I am. Only the mention of my name should put fear on anybody, but just pretend that you are not frightened and I'll put you off. Idiots. Let me find anybody on my land with you. Open the gate! Let me get out of this cursed place.
Udegwe is very diabolic and he means every single word he just spoke.
Go and sit down. You will not do anything.
Boss, Udegwe is not only diabolic. He's a man rooted in tradition. You should know this.
Can you all shut up and let me think?
Exactly what you always the chicken out normally. Normally you been get baby mind. You don't get mind normally.
See, boss, had it been I knew that land rightfully belongs to Udegwe, nothing would have misstepped my foot on that land. To God, I will never try it. Nothing will make me. To God.
Okay, you've been the chicken out before now. You've been get chicken mind. Not be today.
My German, this is how I'm beginning to feel. I can't reach my life because of that land. We have other lands in this town. Please, let us leave that particular piece of land.
Even you, Chema. You don't fear too.
This man, they
okay, come on to say this man, they. What's the person who just there, they talk for mouth, they talk rubbish. What did they feel do?
This meeting is over.
Chema. Boss, you live there.
Come out here.
You don't say you go give our chairman EB. You know what this is?
Who doesn't know Udegwe in this community?
I don't know why I
EB. Now why EB?
Come out, man, boss.
If now you don't pay you go give you.
Who give you EB?
No, now. You don't know where Udegwe be. Person there is saying he go give you full dose of growth. You know the meaning of full dose of growth.
The only man wey get mind. You know something about that?
Full dose of growth. And then we say you don't even work again.
Of course, they even feel
it. You go get one place to shoot. Okay, look, we go check that other land.
Useless man and a wala there. But if you made that land, give you a wagon now. Tamper with that land and see.
Oh. Babe, I think you need to pay heed to those boys and refrain. That man I saw leaving this compound wasn't joking when he said he will kill you.
No, please, please. Stay out of land business. You have no discussion with it.
Really? Paul, would you rather die dragging another man's land? Huh? How come you don't want to stop this act of yours and start behaving like your brother Peter? Okay, now, all the money you've been making from your crooked ways, what have you managed to do with them? What?
Is something wrong with you? What kind of stupid question is that?
Paul, you know, I am trying so hard not to get offended because I see you're trying to insult me.
Stay out of my business and there will be peace.
And I will still advise you to stay away from that man's land. That is my candid advice to you, Paul. Stop it.
If you forget everything enough, everything in this world, do not forget I'm still Paul the Enigma. The perfect definition of Onyisinkoka. Asika akulishie. Do you hear me? Anything I have mapped out for sale must be sold.
Paul. Paul. Two brothers, different personalities. This is still confusing. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Is Paul around?
Yes, please have a seat. Let me fetch him, please.
Thank you.
Welcome. Paul, sorry to disturb you. You have a visitor.
Who?
Come see for yourself. Excuse me.
Nine. I have heard what you said. I'll talk to him.
Prof, please. Help me drive my point home. Tell Paul to desist from encroaching into my land. Else, I'll give him an oversized scrotum. Ibi. Nkwa Ibi. I do not say things I don't have intentions of doing.
I don't know why Paul keeps embarrassing the Ndulwe family. Bringing shame to our name. Painting us black before people. But I promise you, I'll talk to him.
Do you know that sometimes I wonder if both of you are police?
Nah, you don't want to know the embarrassment I face out there every day from people mistaking me for Paul.
It is that thing he takes. That kai he drinks every day that prevents him from thinking like a human being.
But why inflict pain on people? That's the question.
You should know better. He's your brother. Tell him to stop trading on dangerous grounds. Because I will kill him if he dares enter my land again. I will kill him.
I wash my hands off anything that concerns Udeque's land. That man is too devilish. Very devilish. We no go continue.
Okay, if you don't want to continue, say you don't want to continue. Which one do we not go continue? You know we hear when Oga say that land is worth over 1 million. No, hundreds of millions.
See, even if that land worth 10 billion naira, my guy, you need to understand that Udeko is very deadly. Okay, that man, na juju man.
Now, you know that my father told me about how devilish Udeko is.
Oh.
Do you know who we are working for? Polo the Enigma. Polo, you see, Coca. Now you will follow. I don't know how they're taking out.
See. Polo na this, Polo na Gbegbe. See, you need to understand say Udeko is very deadly.
Bam!
You know, Udeko na very wicked man.
Can I ask one question?
Why is Polo the Enigma so interested in selling Udekwe's land, knowing how different that man is?
Okay, the answer is very simple. The land is worth over hundreds of millions. If we sell that land, oh my brother, you are settled. We are settled.
I know.
We are settled.
We are
On the
settled.
grave. We are settled on the grave.
I forget that. That man if you do anything.
See, I wash my legs, my hands.
No,
I'm
You don't forget key for this thing. Huh? You see him?
Who wants? Nobody go feel.
So small at the zone away. Smoke like
Calm down. At the same time, you the smoke. No, they follow me. They yam anyhow.
Come go with me.
Go. Come on, buy you some.
Sorry to have kept you. It's coming. Oh, it's okay. Thank you very much.
Who is the person?
Oh, your brother's mine. Paul the Enigma. Good afternoon, sir.
And now who did you say wanted to see me?
Come on, Paul. You cannot pretend not to see me. Listen, I don't know what the drama is you're trying to start. But she's here on behalf of the family, so please listen to her. Okay? I'll join you, sir. Thank you very much, Would you rather sit down or stand so we could have a proper discussion?
I know the reason you are here.
Oh, good. That makes it easier for both of us.
You came here telling my woman about a certain seer who had seen some rubbish. No, I'm not really concerned about what the seer said. But I am shocked that you, a medical doctor, would swallow all of those things hook, line and sinker.
I am surprised you're reacting this way. We all know that there is a problem in this family. Whatever you heard is the truth.
What is the truth, Clara? How can you, of all people with all your education, believe fetish people? Does medicine have any inclination with spiritualism?
Paul, for goodness sake, it is glaring. It is obvious that something is definitely wrong somewhere. I just need you all to, you and your brother to believe what... sorry. But can you keep that? You can go ahead with it when I'm gone. Please. Thank you.
Okay, what's your solution?
Can we at least sit down? It's okay, never mind. Paul, we all know that there is a problem in this family. We're just trying to hide or run away from it one way or the other. But we can't run forever. Look at you. You have a beautiful and amazing woman with you in the house. At your age, you are not married. Your brother who's been married to me for the past 5 years. What can we show? No child. And you think everything is fine? I am a medical doctor, yet I believe what the man said. It goes a long way to show that something is going on. Please.
Your husband, Peter, is a complete failure. Yes. That is why he's unable to impregnate you. Clara, just give me a chance. Just one moment with you,
Wait a minute. I believe that's a joke. You're not serious, are you?
If you are really serious with finding a solution, you will heed my suggestion.
Lusting after your brother's wife is making a suggestion? And you want me to listen to you?
Pregnancy is what you want, isn't it?
And you think my husband is not man enough to get me pregnant, yeah?
Isn't it glaring?
Oh, it's you who can get me pregnant. You are the man.
Clara, I must make a confession. The truth is, I've always wanted to have you.
Oh my goodness.
Listen to me. Look at your skin, look at the way it glitters. Look at the succulence and the texture. If you let me eat you just once, I swear to God you'll get pregnant and start.
Just keep quiet. You are getting me irritated at this point. I'm just trying so hard not to get upset. Goodness. Can I ask you a question? Have you ever gotten anyone pregnant?
Yes. Yes. You know, and that's why I'm wondering what you're doing with the wrong man.
You are disgusting. There is something wrong with you upstairs. You are sick. Go get help. Now listen, I will pretend this never happened. And let me not ever know. I don't even need to hear you say anything about this thing.
Clara.
Jesus.
You want to Clara say I talk up and
I'm too sweet and my dog. Just let me enter once. No go fool me. I'm not lying to you.
Paul, listen to me. Reconciling with your brother is the only solution to whatever that evil woman did to this family. If I were you, I would do something about it.
Clara, just look at you.
Having
Look at them. Just look at you.
Get off my way. I really don't want to scream in my house. Get out.
I promise you, no go for no bag of someone.
Disgusting.
Clara, one pam, ipurime. Clara! This woman is proving hard to get. Bueno, again. Voilà. Well, this family, mind not talking. Where they?
Yeah? You want Madam Good, huh? You want Madam Good?
Smoke too much, try calm down.
See what they right here. Smokers are able to die young. On when engine to me, I get what I do with this life.
Father.
You don't want Madam Good, now come now.
One thing must kill a man.
Now, the 3 bottles of one perfect.
I don't understand. Which say that one start? If you come, you talk what you go drink. Make I talk what you drink.
You don't go drink again.
It concern you what I want to drink. My dear Beck, I no one drink wompa. Just get me a very cold bottle of malt. I know say that malt for me. And the G you go drink.
I better give me one party and then ask this my guy what he want to do.
You get blue bullet, abi?
Yes, sir.
Old one, no. Guys, I'm getting tired of this job. Why? This is our work. It's making me do so many terrible and unimaginable things, which I'm not supposed to get myself involved with.
I don't understand. I don't just understand you. See, guy, I am not leaving this job. And I am not ready to leave this job as long as it puts food on my table, pays my bills. I am in for it.
So even if they tell you to kill someone, kidnap, or highway robbery, you will do it?
No. Highway robbery and kidnapping is understatement. Yeah, my God, baby, now say, Chima, you get one big man who will go kill you now, you go swap. Yeah, if I get it here, the man, the way I go stab that man, I go kill him, confirm I'm there, say you don't buy. He give me go bring money.
You hear him? Yeah. What's the thing? So wait, you won't leave about the work. Which work you won't go do? You want to start to the current file, they go back. Yeah. Okay, now tell me, which job now? I mean, which work for this country now? Better pass this out. See. No, answer me now. The truth of the matter is that I don't want to get myself involved with any kind of devilish thing in the name of making money. My woman is pregnant. And I don't want to dent the image of my household. Think about it now.
Sarah, you know what they pay me pass for this thing?
Go talk.
You know what they pay me? Anytime when we they talk as men, as guys we will be, this move we will come up with. Like say you don't marry. The woman wey you mistakenly give belle, now they call a wife.
Ordinary small thing sef, you never do for the girl head.
Make I ask you for now. When I don't give woman belle before. You fit keep belle.
You know how many belle wey they bring for me?
Where they bring for you?
If I dey keep them, you know how many should they wife?
You for don declare one community.
I dey tell you. Because two of you are not man. That is why you cannot keep one woman. Give her belle. Keep her, let's see.
You see, you see this Nana, we need to give this guy serious orientation.
I swear to God.
I don't understand you.
We even take join this one.
Orientation. Guy, na men wey get mind dey keep woman belle. Try do am make you see.
Drink more, maybe you can make them temperature down. Maybe something dey worry you.
No dey you dey miss am.
Bobby drink something. I no know wetin Daddy Gio dey do in the midst of that book.
That girl has not attended classes for one day. I learned she's been the one buying brand new phones for all lecturers and has slept a number of them. But I will tell her that I am not one of those lecturers. If she has to graduate, she has to pass those courses herself. Of course. Listen, I may not be very rich, I may not be a millionaire, but I am comfortable. And I will tell her I do not need her money.
Hey, darling.
My wife is here, please. I'll call you back. Let me give her the attention she needs, okay? All right, bye-bye. My love, my angel. How are you?
Very well. And you?
I'm good, just here waiting for the match to start.
Oh my goodness, I totally forgot the new season starts today. I need to.
Please get me food.
Wait a minute, what did you just say?
Food, I want to eat.
No, what is the meaning of this? Honey, you are eating too much. I served you pounded yam before I left this house. And you want to... Stop. That must be a joke.
Wait, I cannot eat in my own house again?
You are becoming a glutton. That is what it means.
You now call me names for asking for food in my own house.
Biko, don't put words in my mouth. I will go upstairs, freshen up and come and serve you food. But really, you need to watch it. You're eating too much. Come on.
Food, please.
What happened to our sisters?
I don't care about that
Our
now.
trip to Mauritius Island?
Hey, my
where you have
Potbelly
to
will-
give them all the sexy poses and all.
No, Potbelly will do the magic.
Ah, oh God.
And wait for 3 minutes. Hey, okay.
Madam, still there? Huh? I don't come outside to see you. Still go by wetin I go by, come back, come see you here. Who you be?
Dey create. I dey road. I dey block you.
Madam, you dey block me, oh. You dey block me. You have to leave here because if my oga come back and see you here, you no go like wetin go do, oh. Yeah, I don't tell you, oh.
No, tell me who be your oga? Who be your oga now?
Madam, you better leave before you see something else. So me, I don't tell you.
Wetin I wan see wey I never see before? Polo the Nigima. Now I wan see. No go make me run.
Where you hear that name from? Madam.
I can now leave. I have confirmed what I came to do. Tell Polo the Ngima that I will come visit him and finally go.
Wetin get man no go see for gate.
Baby, tell me now, wetin happen? Wetin happen? Wait na, make dem reach, make everybody know we complete.
Ah, babes, how far now? Wetin be the urgent call?
Agnes, your voice no good at all. Wetin happen?
Like, wetin sup?
I dey vex. I talk am. You know, babes, I dey vex.
Wetin sup? Wetin happen?
Ah! Person run me street.
Hi!
No be even saying run me street dey pay me. Wetin dey pain me be say on a normal, the guy no even ready to stop me increase me for road. Na because say he get the kind sapa wey hold me that day. That kind sapa, if I even see dog wey put money for mouth, I go carry am enter room.
That sapa don do me one time. I remember am. I don experience am.
Daybreak all the stars, all the missionary style when I don learn since when I start this business, I give am to this guy. Una ask me wetin happen last now.
Wetin happen?
No pay me.
The thing wey this man dey do don dey vex me. E dey vex my body. How you go give am all this style, missionary style? Doggy up and down. Still he no gree pay you. Why now?
Hey! You give am that style.
See, the battle line has been drawn. We must fight.
This thing dey pain me. E dey pain me reach my bone. And na this men dey make us wey be say we dey open to plenty diseases. Na we dey use do kidnapping. If they find wetin to do money ritual, na we dey find. Sicknesses or infections, saving plenty things na we our body dey land. And at the end of the day, to come pay go come be wahala. When we say na this business we dey take chop. As I do like this, I no get another thing. Na the only surviving thing wey I dey do for my life be this. Na one yeye man go comot for somewhere, say he go do you finish, he no go pay you money. Who e be?
Rose don talk am finish. My sister. And they forget say, society forget say, now we dey satisfy all those men where their wife no fit satisfy for bed. We dey give them many styles. They arrange them for them, they give them, they no fit pay us. See, this one don't reach, sisters. In this business, we don't be sisters. This one don't they choke me for neck. They see this man, we go find now. Sister, we no find now. Paul go collect what?
Wait, make I ask. This person where they call, this goat where they call, so you get any idea how to see him? Like any clue?
That stupid, whether na chairman, Agbero chairman, motor transport, I don't know even what.
Wait. That one we carry dreadlocks. Hey! We always put one designer bottle.
Hey!
That man,
we carry two of us that day.
Where in bread they stay.
Hey, that man, you know him.
Hi, what if you know? Person we carry me daybreak.
Can do you this?
Wait. You carry daybreak.
That daybreak.
Hey, you get luck, oh. He pursue us. Waiting the time sef. He don't pursue us come out. You get luck. If you see how man take bank us that day, Chineke God. Hi! Throw leg. Up and down. Everywhere. Like do if you no pay you.
Paul go collect. He go
What?
collect. Paul go collect.
This one don't shock am.
I never do Osho for my life.
Why you do Osho?
Since when I start this business. Now 2 decades.
As I did like this,
I never do Osho. You go pay that
as
money.
you find finish.
Hey.
This guy for hand.
Hey.
We go 3 times.
You know even Sami play yourself.
You don't look like say you see anything.
After this round.
Before, don't try it.
We are not surprised.
We don't need to tell them again.
I'm telling you.
Guys, do you know that this Oyinye's pregnancy changed the whole lot about me? We can see it.
It is written all over you.
We can see it. Oyinye really changed the lot about me.
Oyin, what are you doing here? Who even told you that I'm here?
You're asking me what I'm doing here. What are you doing here?
I'm enjoying with my friends now.
Are you not supposed to be home?
Sorry. My man. I need to go.
No problem.
Let me go and do my duty.
I know. Take it easy.
If you don't want to come tomorrow, no problem.
No problem. One day off. We will still give you your money. Now like this marriage. If I marry, may they bury me with my teeth.
I swear.
Imagine.
No. Like this, if any girl just waka come tell me say she get belle,
You go come out.
you go come out am.
You go come
I
out.
know do this guy.
Imagine this guy.
My love, there is something I want to talk to you about. I don't want any of this to get you upset, but I just want to get to know you better.
Babe, you know you can ask me about anything in this world, and I will give you the sincerest of answers, right?
Thank you. Have you ever gotten any woman pregnant?
What kind of question is that?
Honey, like I said, I really don't want to get you upset. But you know what they say. It is she who wears the shoes that knows where it hurts. I don't want you to take this some type of way, please.
You're confusing me, babes. Where are you driving at?
I just want to know. I mean, looking at you from your answer, it clearly shows that you don't recall getting any woman, any of your exes pregnant. Doesn't that tell you something?
I don't get it. Wait. Is that something to get a trophy for? Was I supposed to have impregnated my girlfriends outside of wedlock?
Oh, honey, please, let's not twist this. The whole time you dated your exes, didn't any of them walk up to you to tell you that you have put her in a family way?
None that I remember.
Exactly my point. From all I understand now, it clearly shows that you never got any of your exes pregnant.
See, honey, truth is, I've always been a science student all my life. And I understood early in life the implications of catching infections, to not indulge in unprotected sex.
So what you're saying in essence is that you never had unprotected sex?
Never. As a matter of fact, I wasn't a sex freak like most boys my age at that time.
Can you just stop this joke? You mean the whole time you were with your exes, you never slept with even one girl without a condom? Come on, babes, I'm not a child. You can't fool me.
Wait. What are you insinuating? That I am lying?
What I am saying is that you are trying so hard not to believe the revelation from that man. Why?
I cannot believe anything that is not scientifically proven.
My love, you need to drop this stubbornness and look for a way to solve this puzzle. The earlier you do this, the better for us all.
I can see that seer has succeeded in rumpling your mind. Can you hear yourself talk? Babe, you're a qualified medical doctor, practicing with FMC. Now I really understand the saying that religion is the opium of the people.
And where did religion come into this? How? My love, I am only speaking facts.
These are no facts. These are colossal fallacies. And I'm not going to discuss this further with you. Good night.
Oh.
What?
Why are you attacking me? Huh?
Can't you see you're very useless? All you do in this house is to eat my money and enjoy your life. You can't even take in from, not even one pregnancy, not one.
Paul, I can take everything from you, but definitely not the name calling. How am I supposed to get pregnant? Huh? When you barely touch me, you're hardly at home to perform your duties. How am I supposed to get pregnant drinking water?
Am I supposed to kill myself on top of you before you take him? Have we not lost count the number of times we have made love? Why is it difficult for you to take him?
Oh, all I know is that I am very fertile. If only you stay back and perform your duties, I know I will get pregnant. So don't put this on me, please. have a feeling something is about to happen. Something that may stand against what I stand for. How do I unravel what this is all about?
Ngwongwo! 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 My Lord Grandmaster, I need to be attended to. Ngwongwo! Ngwongwo! My Lord Grandmaster!
Philomena, what brings you to my private abode?
My Lord Grandmaster, everything is tearing apart.
Two parallel lines cannot meet is a physical phenomenon, but in the spiritual, they meet. That is why the things of the spiritual controls the physical.
My Lord Grandmaster, I need you to unravel this mystery. You have spoken in the language of the deep. Can you break it down for me?
The separation you created in the spirit is beginning to close up. Once it closes in the spiritual ring, the physical closure will be immediate and you will not like it.
The separation I created. I do not comprehend. No, that will never happen. Even though they are twins, they will never come together. They have to pay for what their father did to me.
You killed the man and his innocent wife.
There is nobody that is close to Ndulu that is innocent. The sins of the father must be visited upon the children, and the children's children, even to the 4th generation.
If that law you quoted works for you, then you must face it. Count me out.
I have a feeling something is about to happen. But what it is, I do not know.
phone.
Oh.
Who's calling by this time?
How would I know? Hello? Hello, good evening. Good evening. Who am I on to, please? Does it mean you don't have my number anymore? Sorry, I lost my phone. I got a new one and I haven't activated my Gmail on it. Who is this? Your brother. Paul. Yes. What happened? How come I can't recognize your voice? My voice is still my voice. I am calling because we need to talk. Listen, I have withdrawn the letter from the lands. You can go ahead and sell the lands so that we know you sold everything. You cut all this feminine nonsense and listen to me. Act like somebody who came out from the loins of Ndulwe. We need to talk like brothers and it's very important. Oh, really? Now you realize we are brothers, isn't it? All this while you never bothered to contact or call me. Listen, if you have come with trouble, I'm going to get you arrested and charge you to court. Peter, we have many things to talk about. Things like what and what. Can you stop this? Calm down from your high horse. Do you know what it took me to pick up my phone to call you? We need to talk and it is important.
What did he say?
Where do you want us to see? I'm coming over to your house tomorrow. Good night.
What did he say?
Oh, we forgot this man. Babe. I'm confused.
Why?
What do you make of this?
My love, I see better days ahead.
What do you mean by that?
It is obvious, my love. God is about to do something great in this family. All you need to do is just loosen up, okay?
Wait, too. Are you sure you're not the one that called Paul? Have you been in contact with him?
Oh, well, since my husband has refused to listen to the falconer as a falcon that he is, God in his infinite mercies has decided to come through, the one termed Enigma.
By all means, that's insulting, babe.
You are just too headstrong, unnecessarily stubborn. Why?
I can see you're trying to piss me off, but I won't fall for it.
I am not trying to piss you. Listen to me. I am just happy that we're going to have a united family. God has decided to do something great in our family. Let's just allow that to happen. Okay? Good night.
They are seriously working on their reconciliation so that their lineage will continue. And you know that is not good for me.
Philomena, I have one advice for you, and that is go home.
No, Grandmaster. You can't leave me alone now.
I like to solve problems, especially the ones I created. But I did not create this one, so honestly, I cannot solve them.
My Lord Grandmaster, you cannot abandon me to fate. I have been an ardent follower, for I have followed you pragmatically. I have been a faithful servant. I offer my sacrifices as at when due. Please, Grandmaster.
Twins are not ordinary people. Go and reconcile with them before they reconcile with their chi. Their chi allowed you to manipulate them all these years because they refused to recognize their chi. Reconcile with them Because when the forces finally come against you, you cannot be able to withstand it.
Now you're living with a Calabar girl I am sure in no time you will throw out of your house. Decide and be.
I will not die. I will not allow this to happen. That reconciliation must not hold. Never. Since the Lord Grandmaster has refused to help me, I'll do this my own way.
So happy. Oh my God. So finally, Paul has gone to see his brother. This time not for war. This is good news. Thank God. Thank God.
Idejimba, I'm here this early because I want that reconciliation stopped. In fact, I want them dead.
I want to be sure. Very, very sure. Very, very sure. Woman, this is connected to their guardian angels. Their chi.
Tell their chi to stay away. Their father did evil against me. I've already sent him to his ancestors 30 years ago. And if the children should flourish, that means I achieved nothing.
Do you have what it takes to be here and to be there at the same time?
I do not have the power to do anything. Good. But I have the money to pay people who can do things. The separation I caused between Dule's children must not close. I want them stopped.
It's all right. 500,000 naira, I will send them to the great beyond.
Idejimba, would you want transfer or cash?
Don't tell me you believe those cock and bull stories. A whole Paul the Enigma. Oh, cock and bull story, is that what you call it? Listen, I'm surprised you're the one saying this. Is this really the reason you came here after all these years? What other reason could be more powerful than this? Look at me, look at my life. Do you think I'm happy with the kind of life I live? You think I'm happy not being married at this age? You think I'm happy studying law and not practicing it, knowing I have the knowledge? Is that it? I spent the whole night reflecting on what your wife said, and I have come to the realization that there is point in what she said. Paul, if you wanted to practice law, you would. Look at me. Am I not practicing what I studied? What is happening to you is as a result of people's lands you sold. It has nothing to do with any curse or any evil girl. What about you? No, look at you. You have been married for years, yet you have not even one single child to show for it. Does that not tell you that something is wrong somewhere? At least I am married. Look at you. All you do is frolic with prostitutes every time. Now you are living with a Calabar girl who I'm sure in no time you will throw out of your house. Decide and fix your life like a man. And stop reading useless meanings into your self-induced setback. I'm not letting the demon in you discourage me. Wait, are you being serious with me? There is a demon in me. And you are the one who is okay, really? I am not here for this. All I am saying is that I have come for us to put heads together and find a solution to our family problem. You're the one who has a problem. Fix it.
Take.
This is an egg.
Yes.
What am I supposed to do with it?
Because they are twins, an egg formed them. That is why they are so identical. Speak whatever you desire into the egg and break it in a junction where 3 rows meet. Leave there immediately without looking back. As the egg split, so shall Peter and Paul split.
You mentioned their names.
Of course.
You know them?
I am not called the Dejimba for fun. I am called the Dejimba because I am the Dejimba for real. In fact, as I'm talking with you now, they are working towards their reconciliation.
Yes. I want that to be cancelled.
Then go home. Do as I have instructed. In fact, do it on your way back home. And don't forget, go home without looking back.
Now I know why they speak so highly of you. Thank you for everything. When all this is over, I will come and thank you specially. Thank you so much.
Of course, I know you must come. You can now go.
Babe, yes, who get this girl? We are open this gate. You never open it. What the eczema? Open this gate. Open this gate.
Who be this? You open this gate?
Should I call Paul and tell him that there's a big problem going on in his compound? But how can I tell him that?
I can free that is open this gate. I say one of the show myself when it's in the house.
Who will be? Run, go!
It is erroneous to say that I am the one who has a problem. You equally have a problem and we need to put heads together to solve it. You see, if I had known this was the reason you called me and wanted to sue me, I would have left for work a long time ago. What are you insinuating? That I shouldn't be here in the first place? Paul, how can you come to my house and tell me you want us to reconcile as brothers when you have been the one fighting me all the time when I've done nothing to you? Have you not been listening to everyone? What is wrong with you? Everybody's saying that this is not ordinary, this is not ordinary. It is the making of that evil woman our father was supposed to marry before he jilted her for her mother. Don't you get it? And what is funny about this very important issue? Paul, do you know how many women I jilted before I married my wife? What's all this talk about a woman laying a curse because her father jilted? This doesn't make any sense to a scientist like me.
And I want to say a very big thank you for convincing Paul to come visit his brother. Yes, dear. My dear, you need to be here to listen to what is coming out of my husband's mouth. Surprisingly, Paul is the one talking reasonably, while my husband is proving so hard to break. You wouldn't believe it. My husband keeps saying that he doesn't believe the revelation from that man. Anyway, my darling, I just believe God is about to open a new page in this family. And I know he will perfect what he has started. Can I call you back, please? Okay, hold on.
I couldn't even tell Dr. Clara when I called her that her brother-in-law's compound is in a mess and chaos. How could I have told her that? Oh God, this is not nice. Paul.
Since you don't want to be reasonable, I'll take my leave.
Oh, sorry. My husband. I know I'm not supposed to be here. But please, I have something very important to share with you. After Mr. Otokanando revealed the cause of my childlessness to me, and the cause of the rift between you two, I brought this back home to my husband. But he rejected it. I'm sorry, but I had to go all the way to his house to expound this mystery. I went home that very day and confronted my husband with the revelation. Up till today, he has vehemently refused to believe me.
Doctor, it is good that you came. I'm going to tell you something that will blow your mind.
I want to get to the root of this matter. I will follow it till the end of it.
Mr. Abe must not be blamed. He was at the verge of marrying a woman named Philomena. But he realized that it had something to do with deadly cause. He immediately left the woman and married the woman that gave birth to the twins.
Are you serious?
The evil woman who has occultic tendencies was the person that killed the man and his wife with her evil powers. She did not stop at that. Initially, her intention was to kill the twins. But she was explicitly warned to stay away from the twins because the chief guarding the twins does not show mercy. She discontinued but did not stop. She stripped herself naked in an evil junction in the early night and caused the twin boys.
My Biko, what is this curse?
The cause is that they will never marry. Should any of them marry, the wife will not conceive. The evil woman invoked a curse on your husband and his twin brother. And that's what they are battling now.
I knew it! I said it!
How would anybody convince me that you and I came out from the same womb?
Oh, stop vomiting your limited knowledge of spiritualism. Everything is not science.
Is that supposed to be an insult?
You know,
something is beginning to click in my head. No, Clara, reason with me. How come I have never thought about settling down and getting married? Even when I have a no. With me. Eno is a wonderful girl. Does everything, takes all my rubbish. I think something is wrong somewhere. How come I have remained static, even seeing that she is a wife material?
That goes a long way to tell you too that something is wrong somewhere. I have been married to you for the past 5 years. I haven't been able to conceive. Obviously, you are not impotent.
Of course, you know the answer to the question.
That is my point. We all know that you are potent. Yet I haven't been able to bear a child. That's why I'm saying that we should find a solution to this problem. Please.
You know what, Clara? You'll invite that man over.
Okay.
To your house. You're the one who has a wife. And God is trying to use your wife to bring solution to us. That man must be invited over and there is nothing you can do about it. Hey. If you want to smoke that rubbish, take it out of this house.
okay. I will not let this ruin the very good solution we have found to the compound. Clara.
My love, you need to calm down. You're too uptight.
I am calm.
No, you are not.
You can see I'm calm. Bring the man over. Let me listen to him. Let me hear from him firsthand. Maybe, just maybe, I'll hear something I haven't heard before.
You sounded very troubled and worried over the phone. What is the problem? No, you sounded like it was very urgent. I hope there's no problem. What is it?
There is a big problem. Everything is not fine.
What happened?
Doctor, while Paul was at your house this morning, some bunch of lunatics came into this compound shouting, yelling the whole place. A particular girl amongst them, her name Agnes, was just shouting that Paul hired her all through the night and did not pay her.
What? Oh my goodness. I mean, just when I thought that this family is about to experience some change.
Doctor, do you know the funniest part? I was thinking when Paul comes back, he will start yelling at the gate man or myself for seeing such thing and could not do anything about it. But to my greatest surprise, Paul did not yell at me. Rather, he went on his knee, begging that I forgive him.
No. Stop this joke.
I'm serious.
Wait a minute. You mean the Paul you and I know knelt down, pleading? No, that is not true now. Come on, that's a joke.
Do you know he did not just plead? He also asked. He told me that he was ready to change into a man of class and also stop carrying prostitutes.
This is so good to hear. I mean, I can't even believe what I am hearing. I just pray this comes true for us. I mean the reconciliation dinner.
Are you trying to say that the attack launched by those prostitutes on him might have him change his mind?
Exactly.
No, I'm not sure. The Paul I saw craves for this reconciliation more than he craves for his friend.
Oh, please. That must be a joke. Craves for what reconciliation? Paul?
I'm serious. He does. Very much.
Ha! My darling, if this happens, I will be the happiest woman on earth. I have been longing for this all my life. And no. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You shouldn't be thanking me.
No, I should. You're a very nice person. And I am hoping we become co-wives. I can't wait. One Calabar and one evil woman in the family is going to be fire.
I hope so too.
You mean Paul knelt down and apologized to you?
Ah! I was amazed.
Mr. Otokanan, I'm going to repeat what you said to be sure I heard you clearly. My father's only crime was abandoning this woman to marry my mother, right? Yes.
The woman is a very occultist.
Aha, that means she's still alive.
Yes, very much alive.
You are saying my father and I have been victims of this. Hello? Okay, so I need you to track somebody for me. But before I give you the details of how to get to her, I want you to know that you have my express permission to kill her in the most painful way. What is it? Why would you end my call? Wait. An evil woman manipulates my family and you want me not to kill her? I will tell her that there is something more than cultism. I am Polo the Enigma.
You mean whatever, Mr. Paul? There will be no need for the instruction you were giving. The only thing you need now is to reconcile as brothers. And then the unity we kill the evil occultic woman.
I want to kill her myself.
I will not allow you to do that. There must be a constitution dinner. And what else than that? The unity will kill the evil occultic woman. And both of you will, be free as birds.
What jargon can this man call you? What are you saying? You want me to leave somebody who is after my life to come and finish it up?
The solution is simple. Peace and unity. And then we will
unity and peace.
Good morning. Good morning. You're welcome. Thank you. It was a doctor, Dr. Clara. Okay? Yeah, she recommended this pharmacy to me. And she said I should show you the prescription. Can I see the prescription? Oh, yes. Okay, we have all the dose. So, here are your dose. So your money is 7,600.
7,600.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
It's 8,000 naira.
Okay. It's complete. Here is your balance.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much. Bye.
I honestly cannot believe the extent people would go in doing evil. Our father jilted her, so what? Was she the first woman to be jilted? I'm glad you have started to reason well. That woman must not be allowed to go scot-free.
Listen, the most important thing here is that you two now relate like brothers. That woman should be the least of our worries.
Well, if your husband here says that we should let her be.
Let me borrow a line from Mr. Otokanando. He says, reconciling with your brother will kill that evil woman. You need to forgive her. Let her go.
Anyways, I'm glad that the reconciliation dinner has been scheduled already. I cannot wait for all of this to blow over.
And he says the reconciliation dinner must be held here.
Yes, he said so. Well then, in that case, I will organize a mega party and then ask my boys to fly in all the girls from. Hey, Mba, Paul, no, please. This is strictly a family dinner. Let's leave it at that.
Mm-hmm.
Professor of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Not to worry. By the time all this blows over, I will still take you to the streets.
Oh, no, baby. You're the one that needs to be brought back from the streets. You know, you've stayed there way too long that you're desperately in need of the family.
Can you throw more light on the rubbish you just said?
We do not wrestle against flesh and blood, but against principalities and powers and spiritual wickedness in high places. Please face that and leave poor Eno alone.
Oh. You now consider yourself poor after all the money you make off me. And you have the mind to preach the scriptures to Paul the Enigma.
Oh, please, can we not deviate? Something big is coming into the family. We need to concentrate on that.
I am more interested in the fact that you are preaching to me, quoting scriptures. Eno, since you and I started living in this house, how many times have you been to church?
Oh, simply because you don't allow me go to church doesn't mean that I don't read my Bibles or pray every day.
See, do not just annoy me. Please go and get me food. Let me eat.
Okay. I'll be with you shortly.
Preaching to me. In the night now, you open it wide. In the morning, you come and sit on my chair and preach to me the scripture.
Make I turn on the call. Just calm down. Make I go come on now.
Oga, calm down. Yeah. Hey, mom. Hey, why am I okay away?
Yes. Yeah. Hey. Wait, okay, keep talk. No, come play. What do you do now? Give me money, make it.
I will give you. Make I turn.
Yeah, wait. No, wait. Yeah, no, you're going to. I'll give you. If I don't. Go.
I will give you now.
Wait, what do you want?
Oh, nurse, do we still have an opening there?
Yes, ma'am.
What of the Diclofenac?
Yes.
Just get those drugs for you.
Oh, Dr. Gloria.
Oh, ma, you here?
Yes, I am here. How is the family?
Well, I thank God we're doing great.
Oh, that's very good. Anyway, I came to pick up some drugs from the hospital.
Okay, ma.
Oh, by the way, my darling, I have good news to share with you.
Wow.
My husband and his twin brother are planning on reconciling.
Really?
Can you believe that? After so many years.
You know what? Paul was here some time ago for treatment. Yes. He confided in me that fateful day that someone gave him a cut somewhere in his arms.
Cut? Are you sure about what you just said?
Yes. But I didn't even explain to him that his twin brother owns this place. I just administered treatment on him and he left.
Seriously?
Yes.
Okay. That's alright.
It's okay.
Do you still have fluconazole available?
Yes.
Follow the enigma. Your girlfriend is a very good cook.
Oh, yes.
My babe is a super cook. Can't say that again. So when are you both planning to take this relationship serious? Of course we are serious. That's why she's living with me in this house. No. Oh, stop laughing. I know the reason I'm asking you. I need an answer. Polo the enigma has its way with things, so just leave it at that. Paul, don't tell me you have plans to dump her like the others. You want to jilt her? No, I've not said that. Next thing now, you begin to preach to me, reminding me of how our parents were killed because our father jilted a woman. No, not at all. I haven't taken it there. I just want to know your plans. I want you to tell me what you have in mind with her. Peter, you know the person we're talking about is in this house. Can we not discuss this now? feel like something just left my body. I feel the same too. I feel like something left my body. It was some kind of weight. I feel lighter unlike before. Could it be the deliverance Mr. Otokanando talked about? Paul, my brother. Peter, my brother, my blood.
Hey, baby.
How are you?
Fine. This is for you.
Ah, thank you. Oh, this
So,
is nice.
baby, how is your brother? Have you guys spoken on the phone today?
You know, since our reconciliation, there's no day that passes that we don't speak on phone.
Wow. I like that.
Hmm. Today we did not just speak on phone, we saw. Yes, he was at my office earlier.
Wow, babe. You know, I like the way you two get along these days. I'm impressed.
Thank you. And then he asked me to send his regards.
Yeah, that's nice. Well, his wife has been calling too. In fact, she calls every day.
What do you two normally discuss on the phone?
Nothing really. She just calls to say thank you for playing a part in your reconciliation.
That's nice of her. Ever since our reconciliation, Peter comes to my office every single day to preach to me to quit the motor park job and start practicing law.
Really? Babe, you've not given it a thought?
Sorry, babe, please get me the cigarettes over there, the pack of cigarettes.
You just want to use this opportunity to quit what we're saying. You can as well smoke when we retire to the bed, baby. But first of all, let's talk about what your dad has suggested. Why haven't you been practicing the law you read?
I'm not giving you an answer until you get me the pack of cigarettes.
Okay, I will. Your Royal Majesty, sir. Really? There's nothing there.
Check whether there's a cigarette in it. I'm sorry I have not been concentrating to see the good side of you because of the manipulations of that evil woman. You have turned my life around. You've shown me true love. I want to beg you, please. Marry me. Don't say no, please. No?
Yes.
Thank you. We are getting married.
Wow!
She has endured a lot because of the love she has for me. I know. Eno is the one for me.
I know. And you know what? Your brother needs to hear this. I mean, this is good news.
Oh, I told him already.
I'm serious.
Yes. One more thing. I have decided to practice law.
Now that is a joke. You are not serious.
I'm serious. I resigned as the chairman of the Union of Road Transport Workers. So I'm glad to announce to you that I'm no longer a tout.
can't believe all I am here. Oh, congratulations, Edna. Hey, our new wifey. And Obang.
Thank you very much.
Oh, this is amazing. This is so... I need to get a drink. We need to celebrate this. Let me get something. Please, what would you want? What do you want? Anything. Anything is fine. What do you want? We have champagne, brandy, whiskey.
Whatever you offer me.
I will get it right for you. Oh my goodness.
Babe. I thought you were supposed to be on morning shift today. How come you're home at this time? Yeah, are you okay?
I fainted at the hospital today.
My God.
Right inside the ward.
What made you faint? Baby? You're pregnant?
8 weeks gone.
Oh my God. Thank you, God. Finally, God has answered our prayers.
Yes, he has. I want to say a very big thank you. Thank you for going through the pains of childlessness with me.
No, it never bothered me. I told you in God's time it would happen.
If not for the reconciliation, it wouldn't have happened.
Oh yes. I love you.
Heaven bear me witness. I love you more.
Come here.
Okay, don't complain. Hey. They said I shouldn't stress myself.
Sorry, no stress. Let's go inside.
Carry me.
Oh, sorry.
Now I am the baby.
Whatever it is you want.
My God! Though confused, but I feel in a peace with you. Know in my heart that I want to spend my life with you. Don't care what they say, I'm down and I fight for you. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Loving you, girl, not the best, oh. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, loving you, loving you, girl. Loving you, girl, not the best, oh. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, girl, loving you, girl. I know in my heart what I feel for you. Though confused, but I feel in a peace with you. Know in my heart that I want to spend my life with you. Don't care what they say, I'm down and I fight for you. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Though I'm not ready, but I'm ready for you. Though I know get what I go hustle for you. If not this my life, I go die for you. To love you, okay, I go love you times two. Loving you, girl, not the best, oh. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, loving you, loving you, girl. Loving you, girl, not the best, oh. The small way I get, girl, I go share, oh. If not magic, I go manifest, oh. Loving you, girl, loving you,